Thank you, man. I love the environment you all create before the podcast.
Why do you keep playing this song?
It's like when the show is about to start.
Like, are we
And they have
seriously
some
starting?
BG. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one.
Please don't start the episode like this. Are you serious? This is how this should start?
Raj on Untriggered.
Raj on Untriggered.
Wait, this
It's finally happening. It's finally
अभी copyright
happened.
डालेगा bro.
तो पूरा channel. But सच में ऐसे चालू हो रहा है क्या?
Why you don't want
This is it, bro.
No, bro. This is fucking
It has
amazing.
started.
This is
Start, bro.
amazing. This is an amazing
Finally.
song.
It has started.
Are you
We're
serious?
in it now, yeah.
Why do you all do this to me every time? How do you all just...
This was so nice.
You got a fucking intro. No one's ever gotten
no one
Krishna
has
No
going
one's
like,
gotten an intro.
Bro, it's usually Amin going on Untriggered like
Yeah.
a
Then
person.
I asked them how their day is because I don't know what the first question is that I should. I asked that, then it goes somewhere.
नहीं, but terrible. We
How's your day been today?
Look at his face. he's about to
You
kill
can
us.
tell exactly what has happened.
yeah.
So people know why you're giving death stares.
No. I am what a podcast, man. I thoroughly enjoy
Professionalism.
that. All the laughs you're hearing right behind the camera are the reason. It's great technical support, great people.
We are the best team in the biz.
Shout out to the brothers.
Yeah, the brothers.
That
Just
try
like-
new technology.
We always try new technology only when he's there.
We're
Yeah,
always
yeah.
experimenting.
That's the segue to the.
That's how we keep it fresh.
We started experimenting. Okay, that's nice. That's
Talking of experimenting, you have pushed the envelope with this new EP.
yes.
I don't even know what that means. Like, what
Push the envelope.
How do you push an envelope? What if, wait, what's
You
pushing
call
an envelope?
you call it lifafa.
it's like
This is why we are making sure your episodes don't go out.
Yash Raj on
Man, I hate
Lifafa.
Stewie. Nahi, but fuck you, Stewie, bro.
Man, Yashraj, you're our guest today.
Yeah, so tell me. I mean,
ये एपिसोड पे वो वाले कमेंट्स आएंगे. Talk 1%, laugh 99%.
Okay, back to
CID.
pushing
Let's do this,
envelopes.
bro.
First
Let's do
explain
that.
what is pushing an envelope.
Yeah, what does that mean?
You're pushing the boundary of. Sorry, push
push
the
the
mic.
mic up. Yeah.
You're in essence, what it means is you're pushing the boundaries to what is considered the norm. And
But why envelope?
Envelope.
अभी ये मेरे को अभी इसका etymology थोड़ी मालूम है.
Can I get the
कहाँ
Greek
से आया?
translation of this word?
Bro,
Yeah, वो
क्या-
सब थोड़ी बता.
हम
It's
fucking
a-
PhD और sitting है. बिनशुद्ध 12 नहीं हुआ मेरा. What is the Latin word?
12वीं फेल कुछ यहाँ पर envelope का spelling बोल.
मतलब कुछ कर रहे हैं. It's like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So you're doing something, I guess.
I'm doing something. Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
great description.
He's
Thank
doing
you.
something great.
It's a great
He's doing
episode.
something great.
Shout out to Yash Raj for
Shout out
Thank
to
you,
doing
Raj.
something.
Bro, did
Untriggered for
something.
having me, for doing something. That's like what the few guests have been before
Bro
me.
thinks he did something. Come on, man.
Come on, yo, you can do this.
सही
He's
बोला.
doing that because he wasn't on the
That's what bastard.
He's proud of it. He's kept his integrity.
भाई ये कृष्णा कोई भी एपिसोड पे रहता है ना उस पे अभी इस पे भी कमेंट आएगा I felt like there was something between Yash Raj and Krishna.
If it's a female, yeah. He has those eyes.
I do.
He can barely see, bro.
They get so intimidated also by him, bro.
Yeah, for some reason.
In every episode, some girl like out of nowhere like insults Krishna through the episode.
I think it's like she's trying to push her love down for him. When you have a crush on somebody, you insult
You
them.
tease them.
Yeah, it's
Is
like
that why you keep
uh,
insulting me, bro?
I keep insulting you. Bro, Karan Kanchan episode, it was rarely 3 minutes before you said fuck you Yash Raj for
Pull
no
it up,
reason.
bro.
You need that.
You do say fuck you,
Yeah,
Yash
yeah,
Raj
a lot, yeah.
He
and
deserves
I
it,
just
bro.
listen,
Where
listen,
has
bro.
this beef
Fuck
started,
him, bro.
bro? I think we need to.
So
Where
I mean,
did it
tell me,
start?
bro, what do you think? Like, you know, who is the like? I just want to say, I want to take some time out and say I miss you, Yugu. I really miss you, bro.
Even I miss
like
you.
fuck anybody. You know, I would
Yeah.
like to replace for you in this podcast.
Hey man,
Anybody.
If he was here,
Yeah.
like he's not here, so we're doing our best.
That's your best.
He's our
This is the best you did. Yeah.
he's the next.
He's the Yash Raj of the Kashmir album. Fuck you, Samay Raina. I love you.
This is like the chain.
Yeah, the chain. We continue the
We
events.
continue the legacy.
No, okay.
Yeah.
If you want an unbiased opinion of this, Stuvi ka like his bullet came out of nowhere. Like I'm sure Yash Raj was
Can you
like,
explain me the metaphor of bullet came out of nowhere? Yeah.
like he dissed you now out of nowhere. Like
Yeah,
the
it was
bullet,
like
first shot,
yeah,
the first shot.
Yeah.
Oh, I fired first, or what?
Yeah, because I'm sure Yash Raj must have been at home one day
Yeah.
in the
Fuck is
evening.
this
And then I heard just not
No, it's
that
just
way. I
like,
knew,
you know
yeah.
what? I've had a nice day. Let
Yeah.
me wind down and listen to some Untriggered like
Yeah,
I do
Untriggered.
every day.
Always. I love it.
Every night.
Every night before sleeping. I
After
love
I've
me.
made some music.
It's like I made the best. I did
Oh yeah, I
my
dissed him first.
the best work of my life today.
And I'll watch the best thing that's out
Yeah.
there. The
Yeah.
Untriggered podcast.
And then he's like, oh shit,
Kya
Karan?
Yeah. wow, Karan aa gaya.
वाह, मेरा
What a
दोस्त
fan.
है, मेरा producer.
Like all my homies together
Yeah,
in one
yeah,
room,
yeah.
killing it. Fuck you, Stewie. Fuck you, Yash Raj.
Yeah, man.
I remember he sent, there was some episode, bro. I think Zayden episode in which I was like, you know, Yash Raj, he's talented and all, but fuck that kid.
Oh,
Yeah.
so
And then he sent me a voice note after that.
And for no apparent reason, bro. Once I came, we had such a great day. We went to eat South Indian in the morning and
yeah,
everything.
he wasn't there.
It's like घर पे बैठा रहता है हमारे. I'm like घर पे बैठा रहता है साला. एक बार आया.
That was one period
No,
where
bro.
we were meeting each other
I
very
just feel
often.
like I'm disrespected.
Yeah.
I will make sure I make this into a beef and I diss you.
Done.
You should
I
do-
have someone to write for me.
Great.
Your ghostwriter. My ghostwriter.
It'll be fun.
I have someone to rap for me.
Hey, speaking of ghostwriters,
Yash Raj put out an EP.
That was hilarious. I respect that. Stewie doesn't DJ. He has his entire set on a pen drive, which is one file. Okay, so if you
one
see him
file.
pressing buttons, he's just flirting with your girlfriend. Yeah.
no. I would you ever get a ghostwriter?
No.
No.
That's
Would
the
you ever
only thing I
ghostwrite?
have, man.
Writing.
Like I would.
I'm
Yeah,
sure
I
he's
think,
down to
yeah.
ghost, right?
Yeah, I'm down to ghostwrite. Give me money, I'll write for you. Good lyrics. Great. Please. Give me ghostwriting jobs. Yeah.
But then
Somewhere.
would you write it like in the way Yash Raj would write his songs?
No.
or-
I think I'm a good enough topical writer that I can stick to the person's.
So you can write as me, let's say,
yeah.
right?
He's like ChatGPT, bro.
So
No, I've seen him freestyle.
rap no.
I've seen him freestyle, bro. He just goes.
Yeah.
He just freestyles for 5 minutes straight.
Yeah. But yeah.
नहीं मैंने
Suddenly
देखा
some
हुआ है
beat
bro.
should just start playing. And we should all go quiet. And Yash
Bro,
Raj should
this-
start
There's one
freestyling.
time this guy
He's too good,
freestyled
bro.
for like 5-6 minutes straight.
Yeah,
yeah, it's
At
fun, bro.
Samay's house and
Yeah.
then we're like,
Hey, that's almost become like a tradition whenever you go to someone's
Yeah.
house, watching him play the electric guitar solo.
Yeah.
And then
Yash Raj-
yeah,
Yash Raj
me
has to rap.
freestyling and then us ending at the PS.
Yeah.
The end. So it's
not
Sorry.
everyone in the room freestyling at one point.
Yeah, bro, genuinely. Last
Like-
time we
Yeah.
shot this latent episode, like we had Ashish Solanki on that episode. He was freestyling. We had Balraj Bhai who owns Habitat. He was also freestyling.
Balraj, I want to hear him.
Were they
freestyle,
good?
Bro, crazy. It was fun. Like it's so crazy to see somebody who has no context to it try and freestyle.
Habitat wala freestyle.
Yeah, I love you, Nazi bhai.
Yeah. It's the energy of the room.
Yeah. Can you talk about your latent episode?
I mean, I think it'll be out. I don't know.
You've done 1 or 2?
Imagine
I've
that
done
also
one.
episode doesn't go out. Wherever Yash Raj goes, they can't.
Are we recording? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Moving on from that input right there.
नहीं मजा आया. I also went on the show, bro. So I wanna.
Yeah. Oh, you wanna clarify your experience?
Yeah. You go first. How was yours?
It was lots of fun, bro. The format is very interesting, and then
Yeah.
it's like having fun. Ek point ke baad, I really enjoy when Samay gets really drunk, and then it's like, ah, man, just fuck it, fuck all of you. But
Yeah.
it's crazy. It's like, hey, I think people that treat it like a legitimate talent show is also great, but people that come just for like, you know,
Yeah, that's when it's fun.
yeah, that's when it's
It's
crazy.
not fun when people are trying.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you're talented, it's not fun.
Bro,
But bro, it's such a great platform, don't you
That
think?
is true.
Like,
Like
in
the
this day
eyeballs
and
you're
age,
getting,
like bro,
100%.
like अगर अपने पास कुछ रहता और अगर and if we were not having our own platform, it'd be such a
It's a
dope
great
thing to
place
go
to
there.
be.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'd be fun.
Do you
but the
feel-
game is kind of like, it's a handicap. Like, even if you're really talented,
You
it's
will
like,
get shat on.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but that is
Yeah.
the format of the show.
Yeah. I think it really breaks the. I think that's like the only spoof of a reality TV show we have. Like, you
Yeah.
feel me? That's the only anti to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the show,
Yeah.
we watch it together. It's a lot of fun to watch. Whenever an episode comes out, we watch it and we die. When I went, there were too many people who were really
Talented.
trying. And after a point, it was like,
It got difficult
Yeah.
to watch.
yeah, like
कि क्या ही
I
बोले?
was tired of like, I
Them
couldn't.
being insulted.
Yeah, bro, and it was Arpit and Samay.
Yeah.
So by the time they're done with their insults, that dude is in tears. And then after that, I didn't have it in me to like say anything.
Yeah, I mean,
But,
only some
but I
good
also
things,
feel
I think.
like post edit makes a lot of difference. I feel like you're sharing this experience
But
considering you watch
मैं-
it live.
मैं वो बंदे को देख रहा हूँ ना जो आंखों में देख रहा है. So I was just like, bro, like let's let him. I wasn't built for it.
Yeah, I get it. It takes time. I think it really takes time to get used to the format. Apna, that's what Ashish Solanki, he asked me, he told me like, you've done one recording before, whatever it is, what advice would you give me? I was like, I don't have to give you any advice, but leave your morality aside.
Yeah.
And he was like, okay, I got it. And that's the energy we began the episode with. So it was fucking hilarious. Like, we were not, like, we get that the entire point of it is ironic, so we kept it that way.
हाँ.
Varna fir if you genuinely go and you
मैं
feel
senti
like,
हो गया, bro. Like,
I'm
I'm
sure
Yeah,
you're
I don't know
very
what this
nice.
guy
But
was.
that's also
Yeah.
because of the contestants.
Huh.
Like like I don't wanna like spoil anything, but like the people came who were doing this shit for like years, bro. And
Right. nahi. It is, bro. It is a great platform. Otherwise, like I tell you, I think जैसे Shark Tank के ending में वो stats आते हैं ना कि this company made this much money, this company.
Oh, right.
I think वैसे ही after a while or a few episodes,
They should-
you will see people from who took part that have blown up, that suddenly have like 20K followers all of a sudden, that have like all of this. So I think people are treating it as ironically also, but
Yeah.
they're also treating it as like, even if they insult me,
Yeah.
this is a great shot to put my art out there.
Yeah.
So I think as people on the panel, we'll have to have fun with that fact and
Yeah,
really
yeah.
see, because at the end of the day, everybody's winning.
I feel like
Yeah.
some of the contestants who have I don't feel that they truly understand the format of the show. ये मेरे को ऐसा लगा
So
अभी
no,
देखने के बाद.
I mean, I think the edit does a lot,
Yeah.
but because when you're there live, it's the shooting takes a while, bro. So
Yeah.
2 episodes, right?
Yeah. But when you see the edit, you're like, oh, everyone had fun. It's
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
And then like
उनको गेस्ट
हाँ.
कंटेस्टेंट नहीं दिख रहा है ना ऐसा चलते हुए बैक
so
Right.
and also I think for it to really go the best way possible, the contestants also have to be in on it thoda.
Yeah. I think it's I take it in a very positive light, where I think it's the worst that can happen to you
Yeah.
at the same time. And if you make out, like,
you
if
make
you
the
make it
best
out
of
from
it,
that,
yeah.
then you can kill it
हाँ.
anywhere. Like if a stand-up comedian comes and does an open mic, तो लोग जोक सुन रहे हैं उसके, लोग हंस रहे हैं उसकी बातों पे and everything, and that's their only response. अब अगर उसी stand up show के बाद audience को mic दिया जाए,
हाँ.
and now they are talking about what the fuck up was in the set कि you're so unfunny and what the
Yeah.
fuck was this, that's the maximum grilling you can get.
Yeah.
उसके बाद तो बंदा season हो जाएगा, like, you know, real world won't affect him as much.
It's also a reality check, bro, for a lot of
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
Because the scoring system, you see them give themselves 8s and 9s and they were like
They're
dog
like a
shit.
1.
I think it's such a great thing for self-confidence also.
Yeah.
And like you said, either it's a reality check or it's like a reminder that, hey, I'm underestimating myself a little too much.
Yeah.
Because you know that the panel is probably not super talented.
Hmm.
Like, you know, like all of us included also, some of the participants are geniuses at what
Yeah.
they do, whatever, just be मामले में. But then it's an entire question about how you perceive yourself. Are you too overconfident?
Yeah.
Do you think your art is that great? Or are you so underconfident that you know you're doing good, but you just like being in that spot? So वो भी एक, I think it ends on a slight positive, like it has a moral of the story. Like it's a पंचतंत्र है, कुछ तो लेके जाना चाहिए उसके बाद.
समय ने मुझे बोला था जब उसने ये पूरा आइडिया बनाया था, he said the show will reward self-awareness, not talent.
Right.
He's like, your
Right.
talent should be self-awareness, because you may come and do anything and give yourself a 3, and if it's accurate with what we think, like, you win.
Because I really agree to that, because I feel sometimes your limitations are your superpowers. Like, in a way where I'm not saying set limitations for yourself, but at least know that
Be aware.
be aware of your shit. So you will do everything in your power to actually double down on what you're good at and actually put the work in for the things that you have to feel like I have to get better at.
सही है.
मतलब अगर मैं नहीं गा सकता and if I'm only putting out singing songs, people will be like, ये तो पागल है. Even if I'm being consistent, even if I'm being like, you know, trying my best around it. So I have to know that probably singing is not my forte.
Yeah.
But rapping is. So then I have to really double down on that skill set and then try a few melodies and eventually deserve to get that, you know,
Yeah.
rather than just trying to be, अरे मैं delusional हूँ, मेरा consistency
मैं singer
crazy
ही
है.
बनेगा.
हाँ, मतलब वो नहीं है, bro. have
Do you
to
feel
work
like
for
the
it.
judges score like they would like they're actually scoring, like when you were a judge on the
No, bro. I feel like there were also very fun moments where the contestants have gotten a little smarter, where they sometimes deliberately perform shit.
And
They give
they'll
themselves shit marks
one
and
or
then they
two,
win
yeah.
the prize. So I feel like it was also on the basis of what we feel the person is there to do.
Yeah.
Like if we know that ये भी आया है जान के
हाँ,
कि ये
चूतियागिरी करने को आया तो ठीक है, मैं भी
You're
करूँगा. उसको
scoring
high
the
score
whole
देना है.
interaction, not just
Not
the
just
talent.
what you're
Like
doing
the
on stage.
talking after,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
did you have fun talking to them after? So it's cool, bro. It's
Yeah,
like,
it's a sort of
I
format.
think this is something that,
It has
Like-
legs, bro, to like
हाँ.
be
Yeah,
big.
yeah.
I mean, it already
It's a
is.
solid
bro. The
idea.
numbers,
It's
it
a
does
solid
is
idea.
fucking
What are those
crazy.
numbers? He
हाँ
puts
भाई,
it
but
out
like
2 million,
it-
3 million.
like big means even bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is what
yeah,
I-
yeah,
is what I
yeah.
mean.
So yeah, bro. Shout out to Samay.
Shout out Samay Raina, bro.
Yeah.
Real.
You wanna listen to the album? EP.
Segue.
सुनते हैं ना, सुनते हैं.
सुनना है?
Yours, yeah. Let's listen.
Let's
we'll
do
listen
what
to
we're
one
here for,
track.
bro.
Really? No, please. नहीं, but सुनना है क्या पूरा project?
एक टाइम पे नहीं, एक-एक करके सुनते हैं.
Done. ठीक.
चलते हैं.
That's
सुनाते हैं लोगों.
Yes, let's do it.
Do you want to give any sort of precursor to the
Yeah.
audience before we get?
Nothing. Firstly, let's not start it.
Okay.
Okay.
He took his sass andar.
Okay.
Yeah.
He got pissed. I know what you feel.
I like, you know. But nothing, man. Wait one second. I was preparing for this moment.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Should have
all.
gotten a disco
Is
ball.
that merch?
No, this is not the official one. This is something my friends actually made just to show up at the gig. Like they were
So
very
sweet.
Yeah, shout out Bhagesh, Adesh, everybody wearing it.
Shout out
Anyways,
boys.
but very sweet. Shout out to the boys, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, not the season, like my boys. Like okay, that's great. And all, but
We'll let the music do
Yeah,
the
yeah, I was gonna say.
yeah.
Let's get to what we're
I
here
think
for.
I shouldn't
talking
have asked him to
is,
give us an
yeah.
introduction.
Yeah, sorry. So,
गाना बजना चाहिए.
Okay, before we get into it,
Huh.
I haven't heard it fully yet.
Okay.
I've heard the singles once
Okay,
when
ठीक
you
है.
release them.
Got it.
So I'm going to be listening
Excited,
in.
excited.
I'm
Okay.
tuned in
Okay.
full. Of course.
and edit में ऐसा रखना है मैंने टी-शर्ट खोला और गाना बजने लग गया. ठीक है? So
यही
it's not
रखेंगे.
like यही ऐसे ही.
ये जैसा गंदा चल रहा है ना दिखने वाले लोगों को.
we should have gotten a disco ball for this episode.
Oh yeah, that would
No,
have
I
been
don't.
sick.
I don't think you'll really prepare when I come. So
The fact that we're recording is
it's a blessing
It's a
in
blessing.
itself. Yeah, it's a blessing. वो
ये
घर
जा-
वो
ये
घर
जाएगा, ये
वो
जाएगा।
घर की मूली वाला सीन है ना. मतलब अरे यशराज ही तो है बैचो.
आएगा यार, next week भी.
साउथ इंडियन गाने.
No, but
पढ़ाई तो रहता है इधर. Fuck you.
in their defense, they really love you, bro.
Yeah,
They do.
untriggered,
Yeah.
untriggered gang.
All
I mean the
members
others
only.
might don't.
Yeah, you
the
need
shit,
us.
bro.
You need us. He'll act all hard like this. He does this with his mom also.
Yeah.
Yeah. He doesn't behave with her properly.
आंटी कुछ समझाओ इसको. जो
She'll
प्यार
actually
दे
call
रहे
me
हैं सच
after
में
this.
उनको. ठीक है. We'll talk about it later.
Bro, Stewie was crying to Meri Jaan Pehle Naach last night in the corner.
As a How is he making this face?
So good, man. दारू पी के बोल रहा है.
What a fucking
I know I say fuck him and all, but
You guys gotta listen to that song, man.
Okay, let's
Were
start.
you crying?
What?
He's talking about me.
Yeah, no, why?
let's go. Mary Ja
See,
pehle
we'll
naach.
keep all this, huh? This is no, it's a two-way street.
All this confusion has to be
I
there.
don't mind.
Should we go?
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
No, like bottom set. let's start it from the outro. It'll be
Let's go.
and volume बढ़ा ही दे. It won't affect the mics.
That's
No?
fine.
Oh, volume, no?
And he's doing it from there.
That's it.
Can I increase it from here?
You haven't heard this yet?
This hour.
ऐसा लगा वापस आए मेरे फेफड़े ऐसा लगा लेके साउथ के नेवले ऐसा लगा कि नहीं लगेगा तो छू जाए फेंक ले कुशब की गैंग्स वाला एक है मेरा पैशन दिलाता है पैसे जब तू दर्शन दिखा रहा है फेस पे मैं फैशन दिखा रहा हूँ रेस में लेकिन मुझे हर जगह और हर डगर सोचा नहीं इफ बटन पर मगर पहले तब बेखबर और बेसबर सीखा कि जेब भर के पेट भर चल रहा देश में जाके उस शीन में जा मेरी जाकी भी रातों में नींद में आए कि शोरा मैनेजर टीम मेरा मेरे मुंबई के भाइयों में सीन को रहा कैसा लग रही है पूरे बैग्स करिए बना दिया जब कर दिए लाइन करूँ पेंट पूरा पिक्चर में पेंट में वो शैक है करूँ prove to you motherfuckers I can rap नमस्ते जनाब आखिर में हुआ मेरा मत्था खराब मेरी जिंदगी जीने को सट्टा खराब मैं नहीं माफ करूंगी इधर का जो बच्चा मरा है चलो बढ़ते हैं मोल जब भी हिलते हैं बदन होता हजम जब भी लिखता ये नज़म मून वॉक चांद पे तो खिंचते हैं कदम तू नहीं पसंद खाली झूठी कसम तेरी जा मेरे सामने से हट जाओ बट भटका हर सारे डक 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 डकता दूर से हो टक 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 टकता सामने की वट अट अटका
ये बॉम्बे के वासी है ना जाने कौन चक्की का पिसा लगाते रे
आबादे साथ पसीने जैसे दिन हो पर सर पे छत आबादे साथ पसीने जैसे दिन हो पर सर पे छत आबादे साथ पसीने जैसे दिन हो जीना यहाँ आँखों के क्यों जीना यहाँ के क्यों जीना उम्मीदों से परे हूँ मैं साला इस दुनिया का नहीं जो डब्बे में तुम डाल के बस खोल दोगे उसी को चीर फाड़ने में सही हूँ मैं वही हूँ
That's a fire start.
That's a very hard start to an EP, I would say.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Like the intro, I think it's
So it sets the
It sets the tone.
Tone of the project.
yeah,
You're like,
like
I'm
gets
ready
you
now.
excited for what's
Yeah,
coming.
yeah. I think it's almost like the somewhere the underlying idea of this was also like teleporting you to a new world altogether. and I feel like just the nervousness, just the ek saans andar ek saans
Yeah.
bahar was just breathing
And the
through
UFO
that.
sounds also.
And
like,
yeah, all of that. Yeah, the disco sonic was always there.
Yeah.
But just the intention was like you're taking somebody into a new world.
New place.
So that's why the intro is also like long. I
Yeah.
didn't like feel like rapping
Yeah,
on
you
it.
took your
Yeah,
time on
I
it.
just wanted like the shit to breathe, man. So
Is this your favorite genre of music?
since a while, it just became my favorite. I feel like it came out of a very intrusive thought. Ki what if I just let go of मेरे rapper ego को थोड़ा बाजू में रख के
Loosen up a little bit.
just loosen up and not want to prove anything to anybody. I think that was a very important thing for this. Varna, you would hear me rapping on everything. That's
Yeah.
how much I love every section. I'm like, bro, I just have to.
Yeah.
But I was just like, let's take a step back as a rapper or a hip hop artist and think of this as songwriting and think of this as composition, as sections which I can like do justice to in its best form. Not my best form, just if there is a part that requires a part to be repeated 40 times, it will be that way. Like, just compositionally trying to do better. So
Right.
yeah, this was just
वो ऐसा
मौज
बोलता है ना, he put out a record.
yeah, record.
It's like
Thank
one
you.
of those
Yeah.
things.
Like I'm so glad you
Yeah.
said this. This is the conversation we were having throughout making this EP. Like there's a few shorter records on this also. There's like theme music and
Yeah.
custom fabric, but rest of the songs are records.
Yeah.
Like I feel like whenever we listen
You
to
have to
this
hear
also,
them start to
yeah,
full.
and just the fact that it's not your average structures. It's not your average song structures. There is like bridges. There are outro sections. There's everything. Like there's trying to tick every box you possibly can. In my power. So that was that. Records. I love that word though. I think
Yeah.
that's becoming
Because
a
it's
rare
called,
commodity.
like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before I used to think like why do they say he put out a record?
Yeah.
It's like what's the difference? Then
yeah.
Then you
later I
understand.
understood.
It's more of an emotional thing.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
fact check it, you'll be like, "अरे same ही है." कोई तो लिखेगा नीचे comment में कि अरे record and music is the
Yeah.
same. But
आएगा
it's
for sure.
100% आएगा. But it's an emotion. Like it's like Bombay and Mumbai वाला scene.
Yeah.
Like वो technically गलत है, but
वो बोलते
प्यार
हैं.
है वो feeling.
ये
है.
प्रोड्यूस किसने किया this one?
This
This is
is
Rishabh,
yeah Pune. This is Pune music by like Rishabh Joshi. And
Shout out Rishabh, bro.
Yeah, from Lost Stories.
He does
Rishabh
all
from
the
Lost
music
Stories.
on
No. He's done the intro and the outro also.
Okay.
So yeah,
Wow.
under all different aliases.
Yeah.
There's Pune, that's the intro alias. That also not as Lost Stories.
Yeah.
And the outro is by Lalu. That is also Lalu.
So like three different.
Yeah, I'm dealing with this multi-personality disorder on my songs.
Why does he have
Yes.
songs?
I'll tell you,
He's
bro.
figuring it out through this EP.
And he figures it out not through his EPs. He figures it out through mine. My first EP called Azad Hoon Main, which released in 2020. There's a second track which is called Sote Raho, which is produced by this dude called Stole the Drop. That is also him. Because somebody on one of his songs had commented saying that,
he
yo
stole the
bro,
drop."
you stole the drop. So he's like, bro, STD is a great name. Let's call it. It's like, what the fuck is wrong with you, bro? He's like, bro, next album,
Yeah.
all new aliases in every new song. I'll put it out with you. I'm like, bro, never again. Just give me one name.
Imagine DistroKid पे भाई जो backend पे इसे again updating. मैं देखना भी नहीं कर
Bro,
सकता
lyrics से ज्यादा तो metadata पढ़ना पड़ता है.
The DSPs hate him, bro.
He identifies differently every day.
Yeah. Like Rishabh and I always talk about how there's an oversaturation of people in music. He is the oversaturation of people in music. I'm like, bro, just do it. But I love him, man. That's the big brother. I don't think the kind of research we have done in this project just for the sound selection and just to get it right, I feel like he was a big catalyst for that. Like every time I used to come and I used to tell him that this is the idea. I think there are people that like tell you that अरे ये कर सकते वो कर सकते हैं, and then there are people that just indulge in your stupidity.
Yeah.
Like वो बोलते हैं bro बहुत सही idea है, यही zone में हम बैठ के कुछ करते हैं. Like he'll just be like for example you talk about let's go for a vacation to Goa. ठीक है, he'll be like चुतिया काम बहुत है और whatever. There'll be a friend that'll be like bro चलते हैं. और जगह भी आज ही फाइनलाइज करते हैं. That's what he
Enabler.
did to this project. He,
Yeah.
a proper enabler. He sat
He
down.
is
We
an
researched.
enabler.
Definitely.
Why do you think he's drinking tequila? Hung out with Rishabh too much.
Too much with Rishabh.
Arish, could you get a Coke, please? Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
manager है भाई
जा
वो.
कोक लेके आ और नीचे
Ice me.
ओए ना बैठा.
Yeah, I didn't mean that, Anish. Oh, he's gone. ठीक है.
It doesn't matter.
I meant every word of it.
Yeah. Fucking hate you.
Oh man, that was a hard track. You wanna
Yeah.
go listen second one?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
What's the second one called?
Studio.
What is that?
Studio 29 was the oldest running discotheque in Bombay.
Oh,
That's
wow.
where most of Bollywood partied, and all of these major industrialists used to come here. And I was just like, again, part of the research. It was just like they had the most ratchet parties. And I think I just wanted to. Wow. Bro,
He's explaining his song,
that-
and there's just a
Coca-
Coke holding by.
Coca-Cola doesn't need advertising from us, bro. You could have left
भाई ने label निकाल दो.
Oh, it's unrecognizable.
God knows what they're drinking. भाई को sponsorship चाहिए Coke से.
I came into the wrong Coke studio.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers again.
Cheers to Yashraj's EP.
Cheers.
Damn, man.
अभी दोस्त बन गए.
Handsome तो लग रहा है. आज तो.
One sip he's had. He's acting nice.
Yeah, bro. All I need was a shout out. average Instagram.
Chal,
Yes,
let's go.
Studio 29.
Studio 29.
This?
पूरा health system, music allowed जब भी health बेहतर, गाने में गाऊं with cash register, करता नहीं miss मुंबई का mister, थोड़ा रखना distance, धंधा ना देख मेरा तेरा business, डरता मैं दोस्त से पर प्यारे दुश्मन क्योंकि वो तो नहीं पलटे हैं देख के किस्मत. तू बचाता चाचा मिनिस्टर मैं नचाता सबको यहाँ तू फुकाता के मेडिसिनल मैं सुनाता गाने नशा एनालॉग से डिजिटल है फिल्मों में नहीं वर्टिकल हम रेडिकल और क्रिटिकल जब सब्र का है मीठा फल बस कब्र पर न देना सर धुत नशे में दुख दबा के लाइटें आँख में मैं तो चल रहा हूँ धक्के खा के थक के हार के हक के पक के पूरा फट के आके ढक के मार रहा हूँ तभी अरे भाई मैं तो पहले से ऊपर हूँ तभी तो लगता की मर्जी मैं जो करूँ सारे ये पत्ते सफेद मैं तो जो करूँ खा के मैं ठोकर क्यों बैठा नहीं सोबर हूँ सोबर हूँ रे बनो सेप्टिक्स मैं आडियो रोड पे एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ दिस इज द म्यूजिक ऑफ द हेड गोइंग गिव मी check going
Like I'm in an 80s nightclub. Yeah. I'm very high.
जान में जान वापस मुझे गाना गाना है 100 शब्द पर एक ही भाव मुझे बस नचाना है भूल जितनों ने दिया मुझे वसूल करना पड़ेगा तुझे कबूल छूटे ये दिला से सारे फिजूल डोंट बी शाय हमेशा ये नीचे खींचे देखे सुंदर फूल बगीचे में और सींचे रस सारे ये लीचे सब था ना अमीर ना लग तेरा ये वक्त पर शक में while I'm counting bucks you cuck पिछले इस साल था मैं pissed off किया फ्यूल गिना 3 now it's lift off नहीं ये भीड़ तेरे सीन में तू गिन बॉस throw it down let my dick dog अरे आओ देखूंगा के जीता हूँ या जी के गाता हूँ अकेले पी के जब भी साथ में खाता हूँ मैं भर के खाते जब भी डर सा जाता हूँ कि पैसों से रिश्ते ना छूट जाए ऐसी बात छोड़े दिल पे जो निशान उसी घाव से मैं ढूंढूं वो हिस्सा बस पता नहीं कौन सी वो दिशा जो फसले जवान रखे बोल मुझे किस I'm kidding that's how I'm living चाहिए है मोटी जेबें fat shaming ये winning beginning ये inning में सही पर ये destiny how long am I in it Baby
Now PT's moving.
I just want to move, man.
I'm glad.
Damn, bro, that was.
Bro, I want to ask you about these ad libs
Yeah.
and like these antras that,
Yeah.
like even in the first song.
Yeah.
Are those recorded? Or like
As
how?
in?
As in like, have you gotten someone to come and like
The first
like
track.
Is
So
that-
basically, I think nobody knows this, but there is these vocals.
Huh.
Those are given by Kayan.
Oh,
So, yeah,
fuck.
yeah. I
okay.
haven't. This is nice. No problem, bro. Love you, man. Yeah. But yeah, I think this is a good reveal. Na? Nice. This is a nice place to say this information. I feel like, yeah, that's Ambika.
Yeah.
So I had these ideas to fill up all of these pockets.
Correct.
Because you need
Yeah.
a
You
voice.
need that,
Like
exactly.
in disco,
Yeah.
you need that.
And it didn't sound like they were sampled,
Exactly,
which is why I wanted to ask you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted to like, and I like even this and even in Daye Bhai, like the Gaane Aap Bajao Please, that part, that layer is by her only. So I was like, bro, be the most Galich version of yourself. I want you to be all over dramatic and drugs, ice, sex. Like it's so stupid
Yeah.
once to make
It works,
anybody do
it
this,
works.
but
Yeah.
in this
Which
entire
sounds
thing,
very
Yeah.
good on that. Like
Yeah.
it sounds
This
like how
was one
records
song.
were back then.
This was one song.
Yeah.
This one song.
Oh, okay.
This is Studio 29.
I thought beach mein when
There
that
are
transition
backspins
happened. Yeah, I
into-
thought it
yeah.
goes into a second song.
No. This is, I think this is like a good transition point in the project also, where it goes from very dark to a little lighter, like in that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Sounds like a summer afternoon. The
More
second
groove-
half,
more
Yeah,
groove
more
on it.
groove,
It's a
yeah,
lot more
yeah,
groovy.
Yeah. So, yeah, literally like this song is about, like, the concept or the idea was I didn't want to rap like about shit, but I wanted to also show something where like you're in a club on heavy psychedelics, trapped in a club which is like Studio 29, and you're just losing it in the first half till you gain control or till you just get yourself back. So like
Feel your
there is,
rhythm.
yeah, even in this entire project you'll find like records which are records, but they have this slow psychedelia or these elements that are
Yeah.
there through and through.
It takes you back in time a little bit.
Exactly. I love that. I love
Yeah.
music that sounds like it's from a time or a place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like that's why I've never been too much of a big fan of straight up pop. Like, you know, like I've always enjoyed like what like a Billie Eilish does or somebody like adds more texture to it, you
Right.
know, and
But with pop
sends it.
music, it's just like, isn't that the whole point for it to sound good for a certain
time.
period of time and then it goes away, whatever?
But don't you think there's like evergreen pop records like
For
what
sure,
your Daft
like-
Punk and your Pharrell did and all of
You
that?
have like a Michael Jackson poster.
Exactly,
There.
yeah, right
Everything
there.
he's put is.
Where is he?
It's hidden behind
Topless woman poster.
The topless women drink free.
That's how much you're respecting.
That's how much you love
We-
Michael Jackson.
Love you,
show
Michael.
This, show this.
Yeah.
Show me the thing.
Topless women or
Yeah.
We'll put it in the episode.
No, I just wanna. So we saw this where we got
Yeah.
all these other posters, and I was like, "भाई ये लेके हम घर पे लगाते हैं." Even if it works once ever,
it's a crazy deal,
it's
bro.
worth
Right,
it.
right.
It's worth the $400.
It's worth the rest of the 20 women feeling unsafe.
There are 20
we
women
didn't
coming to
think
this
that
house.
far ahead. Man.
But I don't think anyone's even spotted it, yeah, right?
Bro, there's a photo of me standing like this and Sheena sitting next to me.
Sheena is different.
Posing
I'm
with
talking
this.
about like other
That's
guests.
cool, but like.
Huh.
Yeah.
We
But
can't
yeah.
let people see
We
that
also
side
don't
of
have
us.
many women in this house. That's
Yeah.
we should have mentioned
Stop
that.
lying.
Maybe that's
No,
why.
there's no women in this house.
Like staying, no. Stuvi though.
Like in the basement.
Like tied up in the cupboard, no?
Tied
no,
up.
No.
In the basement.
She left last.
But yeah, we were talking about Michael Jackson and
Yeah,
just
pop
evergreen
culture.
music before you went into your
Kids in the basement.
spiral.
I mean, it's the.
Yeah. Certified lover boy, certified. Yeah.
No, I used to. I followed the theory for a bit. Michael Jackson kids. I don't think it's real.
It's not true, bro.
It's not true.
I genuinely believe that it's not true, but
Yeah.
it's a belief.
I hope
No,
it's
I-
not true.
no,
because
I'm-
I've seen the documentaries and everything of the kids that came out later on,
Yeah.
and it does leave a very scarring impact on your life. because it almost feels like you don't want to look up to anyone anymore. Like I think, and I saw it at an age where I wasn't probably as mature enough to understand what just happened. But I very strongly believe that it's not that, but
There's-
I might be very wrong. Like
There's a
I might,
conspiracy theory that Michael Jackson is going to come back to life tomorrow.
Yeah.
20th July 2024.
A few people have that
One time
conspiracy
traveler
theory.
said. There's this one time traveler who came and said 20th July,
I haven't-
a dead musician comes back to life. Is what they've said.
right.
Let's see. Let's wait.
What
till
if it's
tomorrow.
just some
you want to
random-
replace you नहीं है मालूम है लेकिन अभी this is not working out.
Just start taking random names on the back. It's like, अरे bro, Anant
नहीं.
Ambani आजा bro. क्या हुआ पानी? अच्छा okay. Be comfortable. We'll pretend like everybody's here.
We feel like there's just people waiting here.
Yeah.
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 Hey man, on that note, let's listen to the next song.
I love how like कोई meme आता है ना how boys conversations travel. Yeah, random dinosaur, unicorn, volcanoes. Yeah, that's exactly where we are.
We spoke about women also.
Yeah, everything
सब
is
हो गया,
done.
cover हो
Yeah,
रहा है.
dead musicians coming
Yeah.
back. We're here, bro. What a conversation.
Michael Jackson touching kids.
No,
So hey guys,
It's Yashraj.
welcome back.
Man.
Welcome to the Untriggered podcast.
so
back again.
with this EP, you've
Yeah.
really pushed the envelope.
So what does that even really mean, bro?
We
What
want two
does
songs.
push the envelope mean?
Someone who's
Brilliant
watching
EP
this
so
will trip
far.
now. They'll be like, wait, didn't they just talk about it?
And the best part is most of them will be like,
Yeah, it's like bro.
"ये benches अभी तो बात किया इन लोगों ने."
Crazy. Wait.
Wait.
Hey guys.
Hey,
This is hey, what's up guys? Hey, Untriggered podcast.
So you've really been
Pushing the
Push the
envelope.
envelope on this album.
Pushing
bro.
the envelope.
The
What the
envelope
fuck
has
does that
fallen
even
off.
mean?
I hate envelopes.
Yeah.
Okay.
But be so crazy. Edit में तो बहुत crazy लगेगा. 3 बार घुमाते हुए दिखाना मेरे को. Yeah. Anyways.
Edit तो नहीं होने वाला है भाई. यही जा
Bold of you to assume.
यही जा रहा है.
So I've been pushing the envelope with my new EP. My name is Amin Jazz.
What is the next song called?
My name is Envelope.
What?
And I've been pushing the Untriggered Amin Jazz.
The next song is called
Bye bye.
Die Bye.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, let's get some women in here for this
Yeah,
song.
you got your disco bitches with you?
Disco bitch.
Anish.
Call the woman in for this
Isn't
time.
like a disco bitch a real thing? Like she has to have curly hair
Yeah.
and like those sparkly shorts and
I mean, they're not called disco bitches.
Yeah, they're just called
Women who
women
at the disco
from the
tech.
80s.
disco women.
Disco bitches.
No,
That's a hard.
It's got a
like
thing
I'm just in awe of your mind right now. I'm just like Ice Spice. Ice
Yeah,
Spice,
a little bit.
curly hair.
yeah, but she's a little on the chubbier side, I think.
Donald Trump.
Spice is a baddie, bro.
She did Ozempic.
Ah.
Oh, she's lost weight
She's
now.
thin now.
Yeah.
No wonder Central is.
Well, let's all do Ozempic, bro. Fuck it.
और कितना करूँ
ये मर जाएगा भाई.
He'll be invisible. खाली आवाज आ रहा है
कितना मजा आएगा, bro. It'll be like the Paps with John Cena on the Ambani wedding. It'll just be like, अरे कोई भी नहीं है उधर. This is hilarious. Yeah, let's go. Cut to. You know,
The
we have a
song-
good segue when you said like die bye, and then disco bitches
भाई
happened.
कटिंग नहीं हो रहा है.
नहीं
Bro,
हो रहा भाई,
नहीं
कुछ नहीं
भाई.
हो रहा है.
Hello, Ayushman, bro. बड़ी वाले पागल हो रहे हैं.
I made a mistake.
I thought they were my friends.
Good PR, good PR.
Good PR. Let's play Die Bye.
That's how this episode has been.
So
This was one of the singles I was out,
yes,
right?
sir, yes, sir. Sure, dropped out.
मेरी जॉब पहले नाच 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 गाने आप बजाओ प्लीज तुम वो सोच लो मैं जाऊं बनाओ 30 पहले पूछते कि आप बताओ जी अभी सलाह की लेता बहुत फीस में घुसूं 16 से क्लब में 26 में बोला खोला के कहती हर किसने अंधेरे से प्यारों से बहुत उसने दुनिया बना ली बस औरों का खौफ कहती मैं नहीं नाचती हूँ किसके इशारे पे तभी आती अकेली ये सारों में आंखें बंद और बस गायब इंसानों में लगता बस खुद पे भरोसा गद्दारों में हाथ पकड़ा फिर कस के मैंने भी जो बातें बोली मैंने हंस के कि दुनिया तो घूरेगी सोचेगी तू है बस के बाहर पर अब मैं तेरी दुनिया में आके खोल दे यारो बस नाच तू देखे दाएं बाएं दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं ना मेरी जान पे नाच 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 चला के जो भी बताते जो चीज that really don't mean की बातें सही रातें कहीं बराते नहीं दुआ फिर कहीं चले कहीं दूर कहीं lavish हर एक कुत्ते का दिन चाहिए bad bitch दिल्ली टूटे तो भरते हूँ damages बहुत shot down so many times अब खाली shots on the house आके डूब ले आंखों में नहीं बोला हाथ से डूब ले मेरे जैसा यहाँ कोई ढूंढ ले दिखेगा ना कोई सब कुछ धुंधला है क्यों बुलाए किसी और को जब हम ये काफी एक हाथ की ताली दो हाथ की माफी तेरे साथ की भूख और तेरी यादें खाती लगता हफ्ते कम में जब ही मिल गई साथी and I'm gone तू देखे दाएं बाएं दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं ना तेरी जान पे नाच 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 तुम्हारा पास मैं मेरी जान पे नाच तेरे लिए ही तो खड़ा मेरी जान पे नाच क्यों देखे दाएं बाएं तू मेरी जान पे नाच जब तेरे सामने बजा मेरी जान पे नाच भुला दे कल की बातें हटा दे सारे ढोंग जब तू और मैं यहाँ पे ये रात है खोने को तो फिर क्यों तू देखे दाएं बाएं दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं दाएं बाएं ना तू देखे दाएं बाएं ना
Someone wearing earphones is fucked, bro. Chutia.
Oh man, what a dancey ass song.
Yeah, man. Let's go to a club now.
Yeah.
Fuck this episode.
When I said we need girls in the room,
We needed.
we needed
A
them,
girl
bro.
would have been nice.
Yeah.
Great. So
I heard a bitches bar on it.
Bitches
Yeah.
bar. Yeah. He says. He says.
Is
like a bad bitch.
that a topic for you that I feel like you haven't really dived into it as much in at least
the
out
line
of what's
is
out, right?
हर एक कुत्ते का दिन चाहिए bad bitch. Like
okay.
every dog has his day.
Okay.
And I need so
Okay.
I haven't written songs about that. But
Yeah.
It's
I feel like that's something we haven't seen from
You
her
don't
from
like
Yashraj
women?
yet, right?
What?
You don't like women?
I like women. I mean,
No, it's fine if you don't.
Right.
no,
Or if you
I
what,
do.
Okay.
I do.
I mean, even if
Shout
you
out
don't,
Renal
it's
Abraham.
We love you,
We
Renal.
love you, Renal.
Renal is our favorite.
Yeah. One
Favorite
fuck you,
what?
Yashraj, and one love you, Renal. It doesn't
It's
work.
needed, bro. It's needed.
100%.
3 things are certain in life.
Yeah. But I think this record was made from the entire idea like this is the track I've been working on for the longest time.
Okay.
We dropped out and we just when we played Dhundla in whatever show, apart from the fact that it got like recognition or anything, I think people were moving to a very new BPM on
Yeah.
hip hop shows. It's usually either listening to the bars or mosh pits.
Yeah.
This was like 100?
Yeah.
What
Like
was it?
Dhundla is.
Yeah, like around that line only.
Dhundla
But
is
it was
95. 90.
अच्छा तू सुन के बता देता है
बजाते हैं आप
नहीं, हम
मजा
बजाते
लेना
हैं
तो उधर
भाई.
देखा है तो
Play
नंबर.
your music,
They
come
don't know
on.
this, right? know it, bro.
but yeah it's just we just
गलत
enjoyed
बोला.
watching people
100.
dance
Yeah.
and that was so refreshing
Yeah.
is when you're away from the pushing and away from the listening like you have something to focus on and you can still just groove out and that was the intention with not just this song but the idea of the project also like Meri Jaan Pehle Naach is just such a dismissive name like
Yeah.
it's like tu chhod aur naach
बाकी सब छोड़ पहले
Like,
नाच.
है.
पास क्यों कर रही है
है, हाँ, मतलब मेरी जान पहले ना
dance, baby.
वही सुन ले बढ़िया English translation Google translating the EP for not having lyrics yet बढ़िया
You not put lyrics on the song?
अरे it's getting updated bro it's a
अरे
big
यार.
झंझट
मैंने तो डाले ही नहीं मैं was like,
bro
fuck
वही
that.
ना वही
I don't
that's
give a
a
fuck.
वो
डालना
है,
चाहिए,
वो
bro.
चोंचले.
I
I know
know, डालना
we're
चाहिए.
working on it वही है मैं I'm doing PR on behalf of my team which
You're
is
working on it.
yeah I'm working on it with lyrics
Hey,
will be out,
get
so-
to it.
get to it yeah I love you all just
Get it done.
get it done.
We in truth.
yeah
Lyrics नहीं आ रहे लौड़े लोग.
You gotta say one of you have to say that once in every episode.
Get it done,
That's
Bhenchod?
his-
No, just Bhenchod.
Bhenchod.
Okay, just Bhenchod, okay.
Bhenchod is like his thing.
Icon, yeah.
Customary.
So
It's like
one,
fuck you,
yeah,
Yashraj.
one fuck you Yashraj, one love you Renil and one
one
Bhenchod.
Bhenchod.
हो गया demonetized. ये काट दूंगा मैं.
Love you रहने के लिए रखेंगे अपन.
पैसे के वांदे नहीं चाहिए भाई अपने को.
वैसे भी he's going to copyright this whole video. of
Yeah, yeah,
ours.
straight up. Only for Stewie. Fuck that dude.
We'll edit him out.
Every time the song is playing.
We'll kill off his
Yeah, we also
character.
get a Yugu mask and just put it on
Whenever
somebody who
Stewie
has.
Whenever I'm talking in mask.
No, it will be like one of those cheap masks, bro, with that rubber
Bro,
band.
that Singhis King kidnapping scene
Oh,
energy.
that is
bro.
hard, bro.
Yeah,
That's a hard
that's what
scene.
we need. That's what we need. But yeah,
Oh fuck.
that was die bye.
But yes,
Should
that's
we
track,
call
man.
Yugu?
It's a fire
Yeah,
track.
we should.
We should video call
he is
Yugu.
somewhere out, no?
तो ठीक है ना मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं उठाएगा फिर.
नहीं उठाएगा तो
Cut करेंगे भाई ये
look like a
कट्टी फिर नहीं उठाएगा.
कट्टी नहीं भाई. Oh, damn bro. Sorry.
No, I'm enjoying.
Checking
I'm
yourself out.
enjoying.
Calling Yugu.
नहीं उठाएगा भाई.
नहीं उठाएगा. Huh.
He probably doesn't like
You was
you.
probably with some babe.
प्रियल दूरी के साथ चिल कर रहा है वो.
The name is.
He's not with a babe. Fuck it. Fuck Yugu. Stu is the better.
I made it.
You're back in, bro.
Fuck yes.
I love it. I love this format. I think we should play a song and then not talk about it. I think we should just talk about some random shit. I genuinely feel like it'll be a crazy format.
I could sense that you are upset because I spoke to him about the bitches.
Yeah. not at
Man
all.
has written a whole ass song and Krishna goes, why do you say bad bitch?
Bitches के बारे में. What do you think about like bitches from
the
you?
song that
No,
Yeah.
bro, because it's so
Yeah.
dystopian to me. Ashraj talking about a woman, bro. It is, bro.
Like virgin साला women के बारे में
अरे
क्यों
अरे
नहीं
कुछ ये लिखना इंटेलेक्चुअल लिखना साले ये क्या लड़की लोग के बारे
Bad
में
bitch बोल रहा है.
real bro but yeah I think after the next song we'll just like so Dragon Ball Z bro like that's like my favorite shit
I love Dragon Ball
I love
Z.
Dragon Ball Z bro and see exactly this is what will happen so let's save it
Fuck
up
the
for-
EP.
yeah we'll play the song and then we'll talk about like so like
Some random
politics
shit.
right yeah
No, but
Okay, but what
Yeah.
inspired Die By?
fuck you bro this is the worst question yeah this is just like what inspired fuck you on to the next
I think Die By truly pushed the.
every time you say that hey so Untriggered podcast
I'm gonna leave a review of this album.
push the envelope
I just hope
Yeah.
people go through and listen to this album.
yeah like
Yeah.
sane people
Like same people
yeah.
are like, bhai, I want to hear the EP. I don't want to hear these fuckers.
Dog, are we ruining the EP?
this is, yeah, this is reverse PR. This is like yeah. I'm enjoying. I'm thoroughly
no, but
enjoying.
in all seriousness, it's a banger track. Bro.
Thank you. Bro.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's
thank
the next track called?
you. It's called theme music. It's
Theme
with Chimera.
music.
Yeah.
Chimera, shout out Chimera.
Shout out
I
Chimera.
really like Chimera. He's
Yeah,
so
yeah.
sweet.
Chimera, aka Pratham.
AKA
Pratham
name.
Mehra.
Pratham is his name.
Yeah.
Chimera is a surname.
Chimera's a
No,
surname.
bro. Pratham Mehra. He's
Pratham
also
Chimera.
Mehra.
Oh,
Oh, he's
Mehra.
a
Yeah, he's also
Mehra.
Mehra.
Chimera. Please play before I start speaking.
You want to get demoted again?
As you use mask.
मेरी जान मेरी हाँ में तू हाँ मिला नाच लगाने को वॉक इट अप बातें भी बैक इट अप मूव करे बैक इट अप डू जैसे आंखों में धूप मैंने कैन सी थ्रू ये फ्लो नहीं है फोनी एंड होनी को होनी मैं फट्टा प्लूटोनियम खुश है तू पूरी एम फिनिश आई रियली वांट टू विन इट रियल नेम नो कि मैं शेक कपड़े भी लिनन स्मूथ एज फक हजारी वाले कपड़े और सपने में बंद ले चलूं गले को ढक के खुद ही मैं सोचूं ठग लूं इसे भाग लूं यहाँ से I'm just juggling my alter ego fashion ego Al Pacino kind Fatina full casino all in जैसे डिस्को की छत पे मेरा फोन तेरी घर से calling me जीने का फायदा है क्या और मरने का डर भी नहीं उस बीच में हंसले जरा सा लगती है मर्जी नहीं Deep music, ये मेरा deep music, ये मेरा deep music, ये मेरा deep music. मैं चलूं मेरे गॉड कॉम्प्लेक्स में है बहुत कॉन्टेक्स्ट but I'm on God text me जब पूछेंगे वो कौन बेस्ट जब along come checks don't song bro that's me सच्ची बोलूं तो ये राज़ी नहीं है तेरी रैप करने की आवाज़ ही नहीं है जाके ढूंढ ले तो नौकरी है रोले ना तो चोकरी पे फ्लेक्स को गली है तो मैं जासी नहीं है
So like Anant Ambani's wedding, right? Yeah, that shit was
That was
so
hard,
many
bro.
people. Yeah,
Remember
yeah.
John Cena being
Yeah, crazy. That was so crazy,
man.
bro. and it's just so
I think
nice seeing big weddings.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so.
The number
Bro,
of
this
artists
time
that
you
performed there,
now
bro.
you deviated, huh, bro? This is your
Deviated
keeping-
from what?
From what?
From absolutely
what do you think
nothing.
is going on
yeah,
over here?
This is.
We're talking about hot topics.
Yeah.
No, but to be fair, the wedding was pretty.
I hate y'all.
In all seriousness,
kidding.
let's get back to the topic.
Yes.
Let's-
So you DJ.
Happy, did you all see Happy the dog? He had worn like a nice sherwani.
What? Who's happy?
That dog. Happy is the Ambani's dog.
Yeah.
Pretty cute guy.
I'm sure he's happy.
He has his own
In my
G-Wagon.
next life, I want to be happy.
Happy.
He has his own
That's a
G-Wagon.
double entendre, bro.
Yeah.
That's like you're spitting.
Yeah.
That's good.
Ambani's dog got a. It's a good life, I would assume.
Yeah,
Yeah?
it is. It is.
But like apart from the fact that you're a dog,
Mm.
that's the only.
Bhai, but-
imagine that's the
But
only
Ambani
drawback of
dog.
that.
But you're an
dogs-
Ambani dog.
Huh.
You're
Yeah.
the best dog in the dog.
you're
Like
the
if you were
richest
to be a
dog
god,
community, yeah.
a dog
You're
you
the
would want.
pinnacle of evolution in the dog world. Like तेरा
I get
life
it. Like,
कोई नहीं
हाँ.
जी रहा है.
तेरा life बहुत ज्यादा
You're
इंसानों
like
से
the
better है.
Ambani
Yeah,
of
that.
dogs.
Yeah.
Quite literally.
Think about it.
That's a great metaphor. But yeah, man, happy.
That's
I'm
great.
so happy for him.
Why theme music?
No, I think it was just because it's such a. This song is almost ironic, because the idea was there is this one song that you plug in your earphones at the end of the day, like at the beginning of the day, that sets you in the tone. And I think this is why I made this with Chimera. We had this
Yeah.
idea that we didn't want to, like. We don't want to go too left with this. We wanted to keep it so in your face and so much fun. And just the idea of like you plugging in your earphones and just beginning your day with theme music, like this is it,
Right.
this song is your theme music, is just felt like the perfect thing because that's what disco made us feel. It made us
Right.
feel like you're in a club and you could almost mute out the music and play like a crazy disco record and it would automatically just fit
Lift
the
your
scene
spirits.
perfectly in
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
And even if you're going through something badass, like you walk into a club looking all nice, and that's what I feel like this song would
This
make
song
you
is,
feel, like
yeah.
just this energy, this adrenaline rush, and it's like a 2-minute record that ends with like the system
Yeah,
glitching.
system glitching
Yeah,
out
and it
fully.
was just like we spin it on and then we almost spin it back. Like that's all you get. That's all the idea.
You're
behind
edging
it.
the
audience, right?
You're
right.
edging the audience.
And if you look at this project also, it's really like, I think one of the details we always had was to make sure that it sounds coming from a console.
Yeah.
Like how Gabbar ends and how the transition in
back in
Studio
that,
29,
yeah.
all of those elements, we just tried to pay that a tribute, because I think that's how they played it on vinyls. Disco, old clubs used to play it that way. So yeah,
But
it's crazy.
ye, aap bol rahe ho, you're saying 2 minutes. It doesn't feel like it because there's so much happening. You know, sonically.
I think it's just that I hope people keep coming back to it, because you'll find some details, some ad lib here.
You've missed
some
something.
Yeah, you definitely missed something, like, you know, and not in a cocky way, just in a way where you could come back and just feel it as fresh as it was the first time.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's just so much fun, bro. Like,
Yeah.
I think the whole theme of the album is just fun.
Yeah.
Because from what you're saying, you also had fun making it, doing all this like new stuff,
Yeah.
experimenting.
It's also
Pushing the envelope, for real, bro.
Just-
For real,
you
pushing
have,
the
you have.
envelope.
thank you.
it's yeah, and he's also like kind of stepped away from what you would like the typical Yash Raj. where
But in
it's
this song,
more
he
lyrical
was
and
like,
small.
"Bhai, 3 gaane mein I was chill. Let me rap a little."
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a hard rap on like a
Yeah,
nice
let people
disco.
not
There was a
forget.
little bit of shit talk in it.
Yeah,
right?
there was.
Yeah.
I enjoy that from time to time. Like,
Yeah.
and I also feel like it has as many verses as it has bridges, and it
Right.
has the hook also.
Yeah.
It has me singing, so it's just a better song structure. I could have gone on and on this again, but it's just the right amount. Almost using rap like a Lego block. You know, like it fits here
Yeah,
in
yeah.
this.
यहाँ पे डाल दूंगा
Yeah,
मैं.
यहाँ पे डाल देता हूँ, और किस लिए डाल रहा हूँ वो भी जरूरी है. Like, am I just getting ये सुन? No, you're still in your spirits. It's
Yeah.
still in the back, but in the front.
And I'm
Like,
still a rapper.
Yeah, I'm
Don't
still a
forget.
fucking
Don't
rapper.
forget.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, best not
I
forget.
really love
Yeah.
like the whole sound of this song for sure.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
And suddenly, like some elements you hear randomly.
It's so cheesy.
What is
just
that?
so
What is
nice,
that?
bro.
Dong, dong. Is
That's
that like
bass,
a synth
that's
bass line?
bass. Yeah.
It's
Down,
fire.
down,
It's
down.
fire.
That was. Thank you, R.D. Burman, for everything.
Yeah.
For
You
making
weren't
the
just
music.
talking about how like
Yeah.
kids nowadays won't know who R.D. Burman is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think they do, but
नहीं भाई यहाँ
हाँ.
बहुत कम लोग सुन रहे हैं यार मेरे हिसाब से. Like I don't see my friends, younger siblings, or my nephews and nieces.
Big bro,
listening
then
to
that
this music.
entire conversations like happens to the westernization of a lot
Yeah.
of shit.
Yeah.
Like I honestly believe that there is so much of gifted music in this country that it has already made.
Yeah.
Not that not the things that it's already like going to make, is why we have such a bank of influences that we can come and portray.
Yeah.
Like this is all Bappi Lahiri, R.D. Burman.
Facts.
This is
Shout out.
who was
Both.
Man, how did I forget that name, man? Fuck.
Who's the who? An Indian.
Naushad.
The singer, the female singer.
Alka
Alka Yagnik.
No.
Asha
The one
Bhosle.
that made disco, man. Fuck.
Oh, it's is it Usha Uttup?
No, Usha Uttup definitely, and there's one more, Nazia Hassan.
Nazia Hassan.
Shit, fuck, that was stupid. So yeah, I'd say Bappi Lahiri, R.D. Burman, Nazia Hassan, Usha Uttup have contributed to some of the greatest fucking disco records in this
Yeah.
country, you know. And the point was, everybody wants to make a disco record that sounds like the old thing. I just wanted to modernize it.
You have, and you have done that.
Like I
You
was
have,
just
yeah.
trying to do that, and that too from a hip hop artist's lens. Like
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people might do it way more differently, might do it in a very unique way again in the future. But this was from a lens of somebody who comes from a hip hop background, and I think the next song, which is Qaeda Faida, is an example of
Yeah.
that. I think so. I think it's still the lens is there, but all I had to do is let go of control and be better at like melodies, be better at sections, and
Right,
that's also yeah.
Do you feel like this aspect of modernization
Yeah.
that you've
Yeah,
incorporated
yeah.
into the Sonics, do you feel like that's going to allow for like a younger audience, like
Yeah.
today's audience? Do you feel like it's going to stick with them more?
I was just gonna say that
Yeah.
we just spoke about all these artists who've made these records in the past.
yeah.
उन्होंने ये गाने बनाए और
Yeah.
लोग अभी भी सुनते हैं.
Right.
But उन्होंने वो टाइम के लिए गाना बनाया था. I don't think even they thought that it's going to be timeless. They
Yeah.
were just
Yeah,
doing
they
what
were
was
making.
fun in
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
time,
Yeah.
and they made that music for that generation.
Yeah.
But I think artists like you are making music that kind of makes people from our generation go.
Yeah.
That like you don't always have to look at the West.
Right. Right,
You know,
100%.
Yeah, look here.
Like
It's
the
Because-
biggest, sorry to cut you off. I think the biggest compliments I got for this project is my mom loves it, my dad loves
Yeah.
it. I play this at my home and nobody minds it.
Bro,
You know?
actually this reminds me that day I was dropping my mom to the airport and only Daibai was out.
Yeah.
And it played and she's like, bro, this is good shit.
Yeah.
And I was going to message him
She
saying, you
didn't
know
say
what?
this is good shit. She was like, hey,
No,
this
yeah.
is nice.
No, who was in the car? Ali was in the car with me.
She said good shit.
She didn't say good shit, but she was just like, it's a nice song. I was like, you liked it?
Yeah.
She's like, yeah. I was like, pinch. But I was actually going to text you that
Yeah.
day itself saying, bro, this is
Thank you, man.
sonically, it's really...
But you see the heritage in the
Yeah.
audience.
You see it,
right?
bro,
You
like-
see it. They
and I
still
feel
love that sound.
like that's why we do it, right? Like that's why we do it. मेरे को ये मैं गाना कभी ये बना के नहीं सोचता कि यंगर क्राउड क्या सोचेगा. It's like musicians से लेके कोई भी एज ग्रुप वाले कैसे इसको perceive
Yeah.
करेंगे. Probably they might not get the lyrical nuances of it or might feel like, oh, this is a little off, this is a little on. But there's something familiar yet unfamiliar about it.
Yeah.
And I think that's what all great music had since the beginning of time.
Yeah.
Some form of familiarity, and then
But it's something new.
Thoda
there's
hatke,
something different.
you know? There's
It's
a
something
hatkeness to
different.
it.
So वही है inspiration और ripping off में I think सबसे बड़ा फर्क वही है कि how you make it your own.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
I mean, from a listener's point of view or an audience's perspective, it's just very cool to have music coming out of the same country,
Yeah.
and also people who we can relate with
Yeah.
putting out music like that.
Yeah.
Because this is like the first time that this generation is the first generation to have like rappers,
Yeah.
Indian rappers,
Yeah.
putting out songs every week,
Right.
where you can follow a whole scene and
Yeah.
because before this it was never there.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of the reason that people fuck with like Indian hip hop or whatever, just indie music, is that like you feel a sense of
Belonging.
It's
Right.
theirs.
It's
no?
Right.
relatability.
and also
right?
I was there
Connection.
from the start.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah.
So then-
And I think everybody is looking for exactly that, a place of belonging.
Yeah.
You want somebody to just feel like, damn, this guy knows me without ever speaking to me.
Yeah.
Me and him were just talking about how we're not just looking at rap music to turn up. It's
Yeah.
not an adrenaline rush. It's not just that ye clubs mein bajta hai. It's
Yeah.
like if you really support or believe in the idea of hip hop or music or hip hop music, the most important thing here, then you are in it for the entire emotional spectrum.
Yeah.
You are here for when a Drake turns you up in a club, or when a Kendrick makes you think, or when a J. Cole makes you feel like you're one of him. You're there for that entire journey.
Yeah.
So your intent towards this genre really matters. You'll bolo.
No, continue.
No. I was just like that's why I feel like people find the musicality in it, even if it's just a trap beat and somebody
Yeah.
rapping on it. Like
yeah.
it's there.
The added layer here is that for me to listen to Kendrick,
Yeah.
a Kendrick album, or
Yeah.
just a Kendrick
Yeah.
song, or a Drake song, or Travis Scott, jo bhi ho, I have to put myself in their world first.
Right.
And understand what they're trying to say.
Yeah.
Why is he talking about money so much?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I have to step into that world,
There's
step outside
context,
my
bro.
world and go
Yeah.
there. But with this is within my world.
Right. There's hip hop already has too many of layers of contextualization that is required. Like you
Yeah.
really need context to a lot of things to get into something.
True.
Like like ये बंदा कैसा है, कहाँ से आता है, ये क्यों ऐसे बात करता है.
And
there's
what is
so
he
many.
talking about?
Exactly.
Everything goes back.
And we have always, especially हमारे generation के people, we love the West because we've had exposure to the West.
Yeah.
Like we have the internet, we have all of these things that could get us in touch with everything very early on.
True.
So I think we almost started sidelining our local
we have.
acts
Yeah.
and our music. And I feel like there's
Almost
a
nahi,
reason.
bhai, we fully sidelined.
Yeah,
Fully.
yeah.
It was not cool to listen to Hindi music.
Exactly. And my only point is that this coolness is probably going to be the death of a lot of art.
100%.
Because just appearing like I have a superior music taste because I listen to
Listen to
XYZ
English,
artists or this one is great, but people making it their entire personality,
Yeah.
or at the cost of not discovering your local act. Like you're saying you're a fan of hip hop, but you would never go and watch a hip hop
तू
gig.
show पे जा ही
हाँ,
नहीं रहा है.
नहीं जा रहा है.
नहीं जा रहा है.
Not only about show, it's also like
Yeah.
people don't want to stream an Indian act. so
Because
many
it's an
times
Indian
because
act,
it's
yeah.
an Indian act and you're just
Yeah,
like, nahi
yeah,
bro.
Yeah,
What
like,
is-
arey, ye local music hai. And
Haan.
it'll just be like, if somebody does the same thing in the West, you will just become a fan of it.
Exactly.
Yeah, you will just be
You'll-
like, bro, ये तो crazy है. पर ये अपनी भाषा में कर रहा है और ये अपने तौर तरीके से अपने surroundings के वजह से कर रहा है, तो you will be like, nah, fuck it.
But Abhi, this
I
is
think that's
like
changing. Yeah.
the cool is changing now.
Yeah.
Like right now, if someone's listening to Drake, I'll be like, bro, तू सीधे मौत नहीं सुनता है. What are you
Right.
doing? You're missing
Right.
out.
Right.
Like Drake
Right.
तो सब सुनते हैं.
Right.
So the cool
Right.
has changed.
100%.
I think that's also because now there is a pinnacle of.
Of
Yeah.
course,
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah.
The levels have
It's
been
taken
up,
to-
bro. Like,
But I'll tell you the problem, the solution of this is not कि तू Drake सुनता है या तू सीधे मौत सुनता है. It's like तू hip hop सुनता है क्या?
but I'm saying that's
No,
the narrative around it right
100%.
now.
And I'm completely agreeing.
Yeah.
Like that, they have become the pinnacle. All of us are trying to be that in our own lanes, in our own journeys. But I feel like the real problem is looking down upon your own music scene.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, and for that, they've had to make it cool. They've had to rap their asses off
Yeah.
for so many years. We've had to make music for so many years to be able to just, like you said, to be like, oh, bro, you're pushing the envelope.
Yeah.
Like, you know, or you're doing something here that is different, or that's really, I'm feeling connected to this shit, which is just more than lyrics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, this is, the music sounds like it's mine. Like, you know, the
Yeah.
context sounds like it's our own.
Yeah.
And that's what's making it like really make a place in a way or another. So I feel like वो जिस दिन people really just open up to the idea of like, bro, let's go watch a music act or let's just support your local artists, I think that'll be life changing. That'll be
Yeah.
great for all
That
of
is
us.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. This episode should be called Pushing the Envelope.
Pushing the envelope with Yashraj.
Let's push the envelope
Let's-
to
the
the
next
to
song.
the
The
next
next
song.
The
track,
song's
baby.
called
Manish.
Kaida Faida.
Kaida, fine.
Shout out
Let's go.
Akash Ravan and B Bhumika.
This is Akash Chavan on production.
Yeah.
Goosebumps.
जागू तो go by just maybe need a light तेरे top 5 list में I choose violence with my dope ideas तेरे बारे में लिखूंगा जाके low fighters चिकू बिस्मिल्लाह बहुत फैला खौफ मेरा कौन है वो thinking की anti बना डाला कुछ चला modular synthesis matching my life through this music हम टूटेंगे फिर भी नहीं छूटेंगे bitch बचपन से ना भाई ना थी बहन पूरी दुनिया बना ली बेचा खुद का ही मैम लीक्स इन द गेम प्रूव करूं टाइम एंड अगेन यू कुड हैव बीन इफ यू वर ट्रू विद द पेन क्यों भूले गए घूमे क्लास के बाहर हां लिख के फिर हाथ में काटता शारजां आसमां जब खाली डालता चार चांद आसमां के देख आस मेरी खूंखार हां लपेटी में पेटी हाँ चाहिए पर छेदी हम करते धकेतियां तुम निकालो माल या निकले मस्टडी हाँ पूरा ये खेल है पेचीदा मिलेंगे हाथ ये नोकिया बोलेगा झूठी बात पिनोकियो पड़ेगा पीछे लाख वो जो भी हो उल्लू सच जागेगा रात में वो भी हो पूरे ये गेम का रोमियो की फिटनेस I move with the best now हाँ करता है मनी इफेक्ट रियलिटी चेक बताना जब बैठना हो ढूंढे तुम वैल्यू फॉर लेस मैं करता प्रोटेस्ट बस करता नहीं बैक डाउन बेटर से मनी द फ्रेश अब किया मैनिफेस्ट पूरा ही चॉक्ड आउट तेरी चीक मेरी साउंड ट्रैक फाउंड किया प्रिंट में I lay up and count that balance नहीं होते अकाउंट्स मेरे कॉलेज में बैलेंस अमाउंट अभी देखता अकाउंटेंट मैक्स रोयल में बचेगा मेटल और सैक्स जरा सा ब्लूज और थोड़ा सा ट्रैप हाँ पेपर द मैसेज अब स्प्रिट करूँ फैक्ट्स I know that I never left but I'm back तेरा nonsense concentrate like Auschwitz ocean में बस focus press the button POTUS no hand no lotus तब तक खाली notice बोलता खाली conscious rappers का conscious सबका काला conscious life है full circle कैसे करोगे कौन new school का गाना मैं खुद का genre तो पूछे कि क्यों नहीं दिया feature चल रहा है मॉन रन fuck it चल नहीं मारा है लात किसके पेट पे भाई करते हैं अंधा प्यार थोड़ों के साथ आज भी लेन देन पेन गेम फिर भी मेंटेन नाम काफी वही ब्रांड नेम बातें बनी मेरी देखते रहे हमने छोड़ा नहीं फायदा हमने तोला नहीं कायदा हमने छोड़ा नहीं फायदा हमने तोला
Hi.
It's,
This is the best song up till
Yeah, you feel?
no, I think you're on a higher level.
Bhai, you don't
Highest in the
understand
room.
that whoever has done treatment to that who's the female vocalist on
That's
this?
B Bhumika.
B Bhumika.
Yeah.
B Bhumika. Whoever has treated her vocals deserves a fucking award.
Bro, I just want to say she is one of the most talented singers, but she is also a producer. She
And
comps
she's
her
done
own
that.
vocals.
Oh my
and
fucking
it's
Christ.
her and Akash that sat down and we all together, we had an approach. Like she has a lot of beautifully modern sounding songs, and this was still like the texture of this record. I feel like jab akele bhi alag se bhi sunna, it really feels like the drums are from the 70s.
Yeah.
It has these textures, and we wanted to keep that way. So the middle ground between what the modern vocals sound like and just how she how we treated it, that I think was the cherry on top. I feel like
superbly done.
Thank
bro.
you, brother.
Great
Thank
things
you.
came
Thank
out
you.
of that room.
Thank you. This is like disco rap in the most straight
But
up.
I don't
way.
think
Yeah.
people are gonna. A lot of people are gonna understand what has gone into that shit. But because I do this and I know what it's.
What it takes to make a song sound like that.
Yeah.
Bhai, there's I don't know this, but it sounds like there's some sort of doubler on her vocals.
That's her. Can I be very
Yeah.
honest? That's actually the harmonies she's given
added on
herself.
top.
Bro, she is an absolute beast. Like I have seen what she does with her production, her comping her vocals, and Akash Ravan. And I think it's unfair. 3 people like this on a track together, and I still feel like I
wanted so
wanna
much
yeah,
more of her, bro.
exactly. I want to make 20 tracks with her. Yeah,
No
and I
words.
want
offense.
to.
No offense.
And
No
I think,
Yash Raj on this song.
just
no, but I get it. Trust me, I
There
get
should
it.
have
I get it. I wanted to make 20 songs like these, genuinely. But I think there's a lot of other music we are making on the side, which I feel like will do that, will fill that do it justice.
Sick.
But I feel like this was just
Sick.
Yeah.
Sick one.
I want to take you back, man.
This was hard.
Man, I love music so much.
Yeah.
It makes me so happy.
Genuinely.
Just
Dude, last time you were here, this one night, it was the 4 of us with Yugu,
Yeah.
and we went to the room, and someone said, "Bhai, ye sunte hai aaj."
मैंने बोला
What did you say?
I wanted to listen to Dark Side of the Moon.
Oh,
Haan.
wow.
He's like, let's listen to Dark Side of the Moon. I said, okay. We played it on the speaker in the room, the 4 of us. We just no one spoke. We just sat there. Then we lied down.
Yeah.
We slept also. Just the album was playing, bro. For itself.
The whole album was
such
playing.
a
And
good
this is a fucking
album.
loud ass speaker, bro.
Yeah,
And all
yeah.
of
And
us
blasting in our face.
Yeah.
peacefully were asleep, bro.
Then Suvi looked at me.
I was like,
I looked at Krishna.
I got the fuck out of there, bro.
Bro, that album
was the
is a
dark side
fucking
of the moon.
masterpiece.
It is.
I'm very grateful that I've had friends in my life that have sat down and institutionalized me on album consumption. जिन्होंने मेरे को पकड़ के बैठ के बोला है सुन head to toe. ये होता है project. You know, वरना एक बहुत बड़े चंक तक हम लाइफ में we were just consuming songs.
We only do
All
that,
of
yeah.
us. Album culture isn't very prevalent in our generation anyways. Like when was the last time till the last 4-5 years you've heard an album head to toe?
No, I think we all
We all
listen
the-
straight.
No,
Yeah, we
we
listen.
figured. I
Early
used to,
on?
bro, even in the
Since the beginning, bro.
Bluetooth
I wanted to
era.
get through it's a full journey for me.
I'm
bro.
glad. That's
I
why
used to
yeah.
torrent the albums.
Oh, great,
Yeah, same.
great. So then that's why we are here.
I used to, not
yeah.
anymore.
You should, man. You should, like, not torrent.
Not
the
torrent.
torrent part. Okay.
Torrent
okay,
back then.
Piracy is bad. I don't condone it. I was a minor.
Yeah.
No, I fucking hate people who will. Firstly, either they don't listen to it in order.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm
I
listening
hate
to the
that
sixth
when it
song.
shuffles.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That
do you know,
stupid
do you
shuffle
know
button?
Adele?
Adele, she forced them to
she
remove it.
removed the shuffle button of the albums on Spotify.
yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah,
So
that's
you can
genius.
no longer listen to it on shuffle.
Yeah,
You
she
have to
said
listen
the
on
only
bless her.
promotion I need is let the people listen to the album
Yes.
head to toe.
The way it's meant.
fully
that's
agree with
that's
Adele.
what's like that's
Yeah.
the norm. That's what I love about
Yeah.
albums.
Yeah.
Like the effort that doesn't just take in to make a song,
Yeah.
but to make a song 13-14 times.
Yeah.
Like a complete record without it feeling like यार ये तो same ही है.
Same here.
Like you know ये तो सब एक album के नाम पे सब same
Yeah.
beats है, सब same. It's this actual variation, but it's still somehow in the same umbrella.
Yeah.
It just keeps expanding the sonic a little bit more.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful, man.
और हम भी क्या चूते हैं क्या 14-15 गाने डालेंगे
हाँ,
एक
bro,
इसमें,
कि बिना-
just so that you can listen
Listen
to
to it
the
randomly.
12th song
Yeah.
and then go to sleep.
Okay, to be fair, there are albums which are just like 15 songs. It's not like
Right.
no, like it's
What
just
do you mean?
15 songs put
Yeah.
together. It's a
Okay,
mixtape.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
mix-
so
yeah, no,
But it's
of
still called an
course, of
album.
course,
Like not
but-
every
yeah.
album is an
हाँ
experience.
तू उधर
Yeah.
माइकल जैक्सन का लगा कि ये बोलेगा कि एल्बम वैसा है तो फिर
नहीं मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बोला वैसे भी होते हैं. So it's not like every artist who puts
It's a
out an
conceptual
album
piece,
makes
yeah,
it.
exactly.
You
There
put
are a
an
few,
effort to build a story
Yeah.
or to say something with an album,
Yeah.
which is
Right.
like
Yeah.
not so common also.
I agree.
So-
I feel like then I don't think those are the albums we often talk about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We enjoy the singles of them. We enjoy like
Yeah.
मैं कितना I got fucking pissed off when See You Again started popping on Reels by Tyler the Creator from Flower Boy.
Ah, okay.
Like on
Yeah.
Reels out of nowhere and some random section of that song.
Yeah.
Now that album, once you consume that from head to toe, तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. Like that's like a beautiful, like I said, like a new world which he introduces you
Yeah.
to, and then this beautiful sonics. But like that song, he didn't make it for that purpose. Like you
Yeah.
know, there's obviously a lead single and वो सब वाले concepts हैं. You can't hate on the people that consume music casually.
Yeah.
But यार, please, albums सुनो. Like we need more of
Yeah.
straight
We
project
need people to-
consumption.
yeah.
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 You know, that's crazy. We need
I
that
mean,
back.
this is like assuming that everyone is interested in music as much as
As
like
you do, yeah.
100%.
We can't
That's what I
Yeah.
said. Like casual listeners, like maximum respect. Thank you for
No, you
making
have like a lot
careers.
of people maybe don't even consume music actively.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like they just hear music.
Yeah.
They don't listen to music. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, I think once you're in music or making it, or you have people around you that might not make music but are interested in it, you automatically become the advocate.
For sure.
कि भाई मैं यहाँ पे एक ही मैसेज स्प्रेड करने आया हूँ कि म्यूजिक सुनो.
Yeah.
शायद सिर्फ मेरा भी मत सुनो पर म्यूजिक सुनो ताकि तुम कहीं ना कहीं मुझे समझ पाओ एज अ
Yeah.
पर्सन. सो आई थिंक वी ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम सेल्समैन फॉर म्यूजिक वेन एवर यू विल आस्क अस कि प्रॉब्ली लाइक तू हमको बोलेगा भी ना कि ब्रो लाइक म्यूजिक नहीं सुनते लोग एक्टिवली, या उनका तो किचन में मतलब बर्तन साफ करते वक्त पीछे बज रहा है या कहीं वहाँ बज रहा है. जितने भी बार हम कैमरा के सामने होंगे हम सिर्फ एक ही मैसेज स्प्रेड करेंगे कि
कि listen
म्यूजिक
to.
सुनो.
Yeah.
बिकॉज इट चेंज्ड आवर
Yeah.
लाइव्स, इट प्रॉब्ली
Yeah.
माइट चेंज योर्स.
It's the same with
Yeah.
films. It's
क्या
the
बात
same
है.
with
Yeah.
Wow.
Such a beautiful
people
Yeah.
just consume art in different forms, right?
True.
So like some people it's music, some people it's films and shows, some
Yeah.
people it's video games.
Yeah.
That's also a way of consuming art.
100%.
That who was I talking to? I was talking to Ali, I think.
Yeah.
Or because I've started gaming again.
Amazing.
And I was like, then I think someone said, bro, tu kya baith ke game khelta hai? I was like, this is my way of consuming
Right,
art right now.
right.
If I wasn't doing this, I would be watching a movie right
Bro,
now at night.
video games have some of the most like intricately written storylines
Fuck,
with the
bro.
graphics. If you play those story mode games, if you're into that, I
Max
like
Payne.
Even
that
if it's
shit.
not
Bro,
story
yeah.
mode, bro, I've been playing
Yeah.
Valorant, okay? So listen to me. There are people who've sat down and written these characters and given them abilities
Right.
and
Yeah.
made them perfectly balanced that
उसमें भी काम गया है.
Hey,
no
गया है,
character
मना नहीं
is
कर रहा.
stronger than the other and no character is weaker than the other.
Right, right.
And there's like 30 characters.
Right.
So to make a game so
Right.
balanced,
I agree.
it's just that's all art, bro.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
So
Fair enough.
I mean, maybe not maybe it doesn't have a storyline like a
Yeah.
story mode game.
Yeah, but I get it. Like, wo to, there is obviously there is a craft involved in making
Creating
a game.
anything.
Yeah.
Any
In
sort of
anything.
art being
It's-
created is
at the
quite
end of the
Yeah.
day, it's engaging people and entertaining. Now,
Yeah.
if they've designed a game which you can sit like 2 hours and not
Yeah, be bored.
understand
Okay, like
where
that,
my
huh?
time went, be so engaged, hit those many dopamine like receptors
yeah.
at the same time, it takes
Yeah,
a lot. Bro.
yeah.
It's a science.
I was specifically talking about those story mode games just to put out the idea that films are amazing, obviously, but if you really play a video game that has that, like Ghost of Tsushima, or even if you play Uncharted, all of their
Right.
storyline, Uncharted got converted into film very
Yeah, yeah.
recently, and you just come to realize that probably what they did in the 3-hour film was like 2 video games combined, whatever they did, however, but. The games literally took you through every moment of that as the character. And that becomes like a next level immersive experience
Yeah.
altogether. And I think there is like, and the worlds they create are almost infinite. Like there are games where you could, they have like
They don't end.
hundreds of hours of playtime, you know, that you can probably never come to finish.
GTA
in-
5 अभी भी खेल रहे लोग.
हाँ bro, crazy. So yeah man, shout
I
out
learned
video
I
games.
learned a good chunk of my like basic English from video games.
What are you saying?
Yeah, because like when I had moved to India, I didn't speak English.
Huh.
So then, but I played video games.
So उससे तो सीख रहा
हाँ
था।
उससे थोड़ा बहुत सीख के फिर then learn some from movies and then actually go to classes and stuff.
Amazing.
So I was just like, a lot of people just take. It's not just the game. There's so
There's
much more you're
information.
getting.
Yeah,
There's
100%.
A lot of shit in it.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Crazy है. वो ये I remember the first game where like absolutely blew my mind was a game I played on PlayStation 2. I think it's called Getaway Black Monday. I don't know if people have
no
played
idea.
it.
No idea about it.
उसमें like it's like GTA only, like how it's set up, but then you had the ability to like change who you were in the game.
Oh wow.
So they're in the same universe, they're in the same city, whatever जो भी हो रहा है. But then the story from their perspective is fully different only.
Yeah.
So you're in like 3 people's minds.
It's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
when
Yeah.
the later GTA games where it was
Yeah,
simultaneous
like Trevor,
storylines.
and then there's
Yeah.
like 3 other people. Uske pehle, this game was something I played on the PlayStation 2.
Yeah.
And it fucking
PS2
was insane.
was like a different world, bro.
I think I directly got a PS4
Four.
with the rap shmonies. But
Oh, you never went through the PS2,
no.
PS1.
I think it was just the games I played on the computer.
हाँ, PC
वो
games.
वैसे वाला था मेरा PC का. And PlayStation मतलब मेरे दोस्तों के पास था. But that was like, bro, the PlayStation fucking saved my life during the lockdown. Like that was like,
Yeah,
bro, मैं पागल हो जाता.
मैं
bro.
भी पागल. What were you playing?
I was
Warzone?
all of us. I
Were you on
remember
that Warzone?
it was dropped out from Andheri, Mahir from Dubai. We were and Karonek, Katoptris, all these guys were tuning in on GT online,
Right.
and we used to just fuck each other up, bro, for hours, bro, just talking shit, bro. कोई गाड़ी में बैठ के ठोक रहा है किसी को. We're playing all of these games together. So no, don't take it. Don't give me the ठोक रहा है इसको वाला. Yeah. But that was fun. That was great.
Gaming with the homies
Is the greatest.
so fun, bro.
Like Counter-Strike lobbies, bro. That shit was everything, bro. Cyber cafe में जाके
मेरा कॉलेज
बस-
अक्खा कॉलेज काउंटर स्ट्राइक खेलने में गया.
We know, bro.
Bro, LP खेलते थे क्या तुम लोग? LP अपन ने ये बात किया है क्या पहले पॉडकास्ट में? 100% किया है.
Losers पे.
Counter Strike में
क्या
भी
खेलते ना?
Are we playing losers पे?
Down. I haven't played in a while, but I'm down.
खेलते हैं.
You have to pay for like the
I know.
cyber cafe का.
LP
हाँ,
LP करते थे ना
football.
losers पे.
Losers
हाँ,
पे.
हाँ,
Sure.
वही.
Done. But how do we define that? Because we're gonna have to have teams.
No, we'll find a game. Let's game.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
I'm very bad at all of this.
FIFA who played? Yugo only
You
played.
go
I
play.
really
also
miss
But
it.
FIFA is not FIFA if you're in the same room.
Yeah.
Online, it's not an online.
Yeah,
Fair.
online is
That's not an online experience. I get it.
Dude,
COD, COD is a great online
Warzone.
experience.
Warzone is
Or
fun.
which one?
No, we
I'm
used to
very
play
ass at it.
duos.
I'm such a big bandwagon Call of Duty
Oh,
player.
you're good
I
at
think
2K,
you're
na?
just
I'm
camping.
good at
I
2K.
think
I'm good at
भाई
2K.
GTA ही खेलता है ना. Let's make a server or some shit.
Done.
And
ठीक
let's
है.
take a bunch of people.
Yeah. And मारते हैं उनको अलग अलग तरीके से.
नहीं मतलब तूने वो रोल प्ले का देखा है? You like assume a character.
रोल प्ले का देखा है मतलब?
GTA role play. GTA 5 role play.
I don't know.
Do you guys not
What
know
are you
what the
talking
I've
game
not
is?
played to me, so I
I've
know.
not played online.
Bro, so it's
I've
like...
played online. What do you mean by GTFI role play?
So I'll explain. It's like you make a server, and that server is like a universe. People join that server and they assume a character and they role play that character. Now I could be a criminal, I could be a cop, I could be like a chef.
तो उसके जैसे तू
In that universe, you become a
निभाएगा तेरा
character in
behavior.
that universe and you interact with the rest of the people. You may change your voice, you may have like people have put on accents, people they play that character within the game. It's like Ready Player One shit. और ये होता है bro.
उतना टाइम नहीं होगा मेरे पास.
अरे भाई, this is like
Yeah, we'll figure something
Yeah, we'll
out.
figure
you don't
we'll
have
figure
to
it.
actually live that life. Like you can hop on for 1 hour.
name is Amin Jaz. I'm a footballer. We'll make
Yeah.
all of that. It'll be fun.
But it's
yeah.
like people who do it, they make content around this. So like they follow storylines within their
Yeah.
universe. It's too cool.
Damn, like The Sims.
Yeah.
Got it.
Within
But with GTA.
Yeah.
So you could like kill that person. Yeah, I get it. More than one option. Yeah, to tap on.
GTA
Yeah.
Sims.
Hell yeah.
I had a Sims phase.
I was on
never
Sims
did.
Then I,
properly,
like-
bro.
Discovered woman. I was like, oh.
Yeah, and the real world.
Discovered.
What do you mean?
Till then they were in hiding.
You discovered.
No,
like,
Sims is for like it's for girls apparently.
What nonsense.
Yeah.
I played Sims and it's fun.
No, it's like
see, that's why he's the most likable one. He gets one hate comment by the girls. All of you all get fucking cussed out. Yeah, chute. Like he's
Fucking
one girl who's
misogynist.
like, yeah, fuck her. He's
bro,
so
but
good.
Sims is what like digital ghar ghar basically.
Yeah, I know,
So
I know.
like as a 13-year-old boy, you're not playing ghar ghar.
I can't remember how old I was.
He's just trying to make you feel bad about
Yeah,
it.
I
bro.
wouldn't
Tu-
feel- why should I
yeah,
feel
you
bad,
play
why?
Sims, bro. That's fine.
I like
Did you ever
Sims.
get married in the game?
Yes, I did.
See?
Yeah.
It was fun.
Shout out to the man.
Shout
I
Shout
guess
out
he
to my
got
wife.
married.
He
My
probably
wife's
only one
name.
man.
Out your fucking
y'all,
mouth.
y'all wanna turn on the host? So be it, bro.
Topless women drink for free.
Do we have more songs?
Of
Yeah.
course.
Let's
Two
go,
more.
bro. What the
Yeah,
fuck are we
yeah,
doing?
yeah.
Talking and shit.
Yeah. Talking. सुनो बेंचो.
इधर प्रमोट करने के लिए आया अपन.
Run back, run back, run back, run back.
What? Wait.
मुझे बता तू कैसे टाइप के गाने बनाता है?
But गलती से change हो गया.
जो तू देख पाए नए वाले लौंडों के लिए देव आए पुराने वाले लौंडों के लिए ब्रेक टाइम में सीन में तू वेव या तू केक लाइव तो देख रहा है कि हम दरिया फिल्म तो बने बढ़िया फिल्म हंसी साथ में जब पूछते कौन भरेगा फिल्म इतिहास में लिखा है कि जब बनी है डील पे तो तू टंगेगा तीर से या तू कटेगा फील में थोड़ा बिजनेसमैन थोड़ा पेंटर थोड़ा लेखक जो गाता है थिएटर में थोड़ा ये तो लगता है acquaintance को थोड़ी बातों में काम का इंटेंस पहला बाप का जब हैंड मी डाउन शॉट से घंटा टॉपर्स में करता क्राउड सर्विस तेरा लेबल बस बांटता वाउचर्स तो सीखता था चलने तब तक पहुंचा बस कदम आगे मैं सपना जागे मैं सो ये धागे मैं नहीं ये गाने ये कस्टम फैब्रिक जिसमें दर्द का पैच वो कलर्स के टाके मेरा जो भी बाटे और न कब जता के पर गुलाब के कांटे साला चुनता गया तुझको मुझे में साला ढूंढता गया सारे गम बुला के खाली झूमता गया मौका मौका एक मेरा दस गया लौटा दे मेरा शर्ट नया धोखे से करूं सच बयां रोके तो लगे फंस गया मैं तो 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 फंस गया
Okay. Is this the next song?
Yeah, the last one.
फिर भी क्यों बांधे तू ऐसी डोर आज तू है कल कोई और फिर भी क्यों बांधे तू ऐसी डोर आंखें मिलती गैरों से और पूछे सारे ठहरोगे कि नहीं हाँ कहना जो भी कह लोगे जब तू और मैं लहरों से हम ऊपर नीचे तैरेंगे तो सही पूरी बात एक रात की ना खून और दाग की मेरी तीसरी आंख कहती कि बिगड़े बाप की तू और पिघले जान के कि मैं आज थोड़ा बहका हूँ मुझ में जान फूक लाश बन के लेटा हूँ हफ्ते हफ्ते घुटते सारे गम घाव जो छापते नामों से बदन बाहों में बस होना दफन है सोना कहाँ बस खोना है सब चारों की दीवारें बादलों पे सवारे दिल में दिखते हैं तारे बार बार क्यों फंसा मैं यूं ही सागरों सा बहाने चाहता तुझको गवाने तू ही मेरे बहाने बार बार क्यों फंसा मैं यूं तेरे बालों के जालों में जैसे बालों देखे मुझे जैसे आंखों से खाने में तेरे बालों के जालों में जैसे बालों फिर जाने कहाँ
Very nice.
Good shit, bro.
Bro,
Yeah. Sorry, I was just telling the last two songs to be played in context so that it just
Yeah,
it
a
flows.
little bit.
It
Flows.
I just want to say congratulations
Thank you, brother.
on putting this together. This is all bullshit aside.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
like
man.
this is a piece of art,
Thank you, brother. Thank
and I'm glad we got to listen to it with you.
you. Like this.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is the
bro, this
first
is
time
like-
I listened to it.
Yeah,
Also.
yeah,
It was
yeah.
really
I
nice.
don't think I've ever had so much fun listening to an album.
Yeah, like the thing is,
Thank you.
after your birthday set, also
Yeah.
when we had come to your house, you were
Yeah.
still working on it.
Yeah, yeah, I
And you had
remember.
made us hear, like,
yes,
one or two
I played
tracks.
you specifically.
Yeah.
I played you
Gabbar, I think you
Gabbar's
had
like
played.
second
The
demo.
first, yeah.
And we were just fine tuning everything, gluing
was-
everything apart. Like, you know, just so
Yeah.
I'm glad, man. I'm so glad I could like.
It's
come
crazy
here.
because like we performed Gabbar
Yeah.
together as
Yes,
well. You know,
exactly
like,
at
yeah.
AYCS.
It's-
yeah, yeah.
So you know, we've all of us have been a part of this project
100%.
from obviously the outside. I'm
You know,
saying,
if
like,
somebody's
for us-
inspired Yashraj to make this project, I think
For
it's
us, it
too.
feels personal,
No,
bro.
I know,
Like,
bro, of
honestly.
course.
I was just wondering like where he is doing.
When has he sat in the studio with him? Like,
We
no, it feels
performed
so,
it with
Yeah.
him.
No, it's like. I mean, it's so personal, bro. Like,
No, bro, I get it.
Yeah,
Thank you,
it's
bro. You all
नहीं,
have.
सही है। सही बोल रहा हूँ।
तू भाई तू ये रुका है तेरा एक गाना फटे और ये बस
I'll be like, you know what?
You know recording किसने सिखाया है इसको?
Who taught this guy how to write?
Classic.
One of the most fun things that has come with us doing this show is getting to experience like art with the artist himself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also getting them to talk about it, about how they feel. Whether-
Knowing their opinion.
Yeah, it's just so
True.
cool,
Nice.
bro. It's
Apart
like,
from this episode, I'm sure they must have spoken a lot about their art after their song. Fucking hell. No, but bro, it's crazy. It's crazy to be able to like have y'all around and just have this
so, man.
experience. You know,
Thank you, bro.
knowing that it's gonna go terribly bad. Like just knowing that ab to laude lagne wala hai.
PR disaster, but we had fun.
But we had fun. Like nobody's gonna listen to this project after this, but hell yeah, what a conversation. Nah, but genuinely, bro, like it's really fun. It's really fun to be able to come and talk shit.
Yeah.
Because I feel like as much as it's important for an artist to have his mystery and about the process and everything, I think the most important thing lies where we're all fucking human beings. It's very possible.
Yeah.
Everything about this, us sitting here and just making the music and coming and playing it on a fucking podcast with your friends and brothers and talking shit about some other thing and then coming back to the music. It's all possible. Like all you have to do is just make shit. Like you have to go out there and keep that shit alive in yourself and outside. Nobody is sitting back at home and taking life too seriously and really just, all of artist talks are pretentious as fuck. Like बहुत मजा आता है process के बारे में बात करने के लिए and how all of this thing like came into existence.
Yeah.
But it all comes from fucking humans around you.
Yeah.
And going back to the entire point is if they're around you, don't take that for granted.
Yeah,
Support it, listen to it, give it a chance, have conversations about it, because that's the only thing that's going to make a difference.
Yeah.
Especially in this field, अपने पास कोई paycheck नहीं है, अपने पास जो ऐसी stability रहे, nor there is like a formula at it.
Yeah.
It's just subjective. That S word, as much as I love it, I hate it. Like it's subjective. Everything about this shit is नहीं पसंद है तो नहीं पसंद. There is no absolute in this shit. So might as well keep doing, figuring it out for yourself firsthand and having fun with it, man.
But and that's where the art lies. In doing.
Yeah. In doing. 100%. 100%. So yeah, everybody who's sitting with demos or pieces of
Dalo
art,
bhai,
Dalo bhai,
chut
release
kya
that shit.
baithe.
Release that shit.
Fucking I get down.
Piyush.
But nahi yaar, like
Don't
you-
take this advice.
Like I would really love to know what you all thought about it. Like I'm sure kabhi time nikalna और पूरा ही order में सुनना because I
would
think
like
it'll
to-
flow better.
This is my second listen. So
Yeah.
Same.
Okay,
Yeah.
then
This is
I'm
my
happy.
second
Then I'm
listen.
happy.
What
So,
you also listened to?
I heard it in the car,
Yeah,
The full,
yeah.
full
The whole thing.
I'm
yeah,
glad.
it's
But yeah, so
like
what
I
do you
said,
think?
man, it's a lot of fun just
A lot of
listening to it. A lot of envelope pushing for sure. But it's just like it's sonically pleasing, and
I'm glad.
throughout the like when we were listening to the songs, I kept showing my arm wherever I got like goosebumps.
Man.
It's
Yeah.
like
Glad.
The Rock.
I
Doing
get
that,
it.
but
I get it.
like it makes you feel something,
I'm glad.
and that's something. A lot of it is fun, so that's always a good thing.
Yes.
So-
Yes.
I would like to understand the lyrics more.
Yeah.
Maybe on the
Yeah.
second listen.
Yes,
I would
exactly. I think this
get
was
into
like
that.
your first time taking it.
And plus,
nahi, sahi.
I usually don't like listen. Like I enjoy it, but I would rather listen to music
Alone.
just
Alone.
by myself.
I know.
Alone is a
I want to
different
dive
experience.
deep into.
I
whatever
think I really had, I think something I learned about this project only. I was always like, bro, this is going to be a very solid project live. And people enjoyed it at the Bombay show. They loved it. And then I think people heard it back again at home. And then they played it again with their friends. I think that one listen alone like makes all the difference.
Yeah.
I feel like you really let go of all your inhibitions and also probably your judgment. Because I think when you're there in the moment, there's a lot of mixed emotions. You're around
Yeah.
people, I'm conscious, ये है वो बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं. But when you listen to it alone, you know whatever you feel about it, you're still listening to it.
Yeah.
And I think then that clears all the biased or the अंदर जो भी feel कर रहे हो निकल जाता है. Then you're just consuming music for the music. तो वो बहुत cool है.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, how's it been performing, bro? Like you've been doing back-to-back shows everywhere.
Fun.
बोल ना अभी गांडू.
हाँ मतलब मजा तो आता है bro, obviously. Like that's what I was telling, like even for AYCS
Yeah.
when we
Oh
performed
yeah,
this
that
thing.
was special.
That was too much fun, bro.
Yeah, that was
Like,
so much fun.
I have this one photo of Yashraj
Yeah.
sitting on stage,
Yeah,
and
I'm
my
just,
name
like,
is in the
sitting
back.
and performing
I
Gabbar.
had to click a picture of that.
was mad.
There
That was
also
mad.
you said at the end of the one
Yeah.
song,
Yeah.
and he's like, "Fuck you, Rush. Get
Yeah,
off.
yeah,
Get
yeah,
off stage."
He said fuck you, then I was like fuck you too.
No, you said fuck you first.
It's okay,
The
man. We
shows-
don't
So
end
let's
on
not
nitty-gritties.
keep yeah.
The shows are
There's
fun.
all
bro.
love over here now.
The shows are a lot of fun because we get to
Meet.
like we know
Yeah.
the people who come for these shows
Yeah.
are people who listen to us talk
Yeah.
like 2-3 hours every week. So it's just like they don't come to just for a club gig. They come to like party with us
Right.
and
Yeah.
we party
Right.
with them.
Right.
And it's just this beautiful thing that we get to do.
Yeah.
in different cities with different kinds of
It's a
people all the
blessing,
time.
bro.
We just go and like
Yeah.
party with them, bro.
Yeah.
It's,
I remember at one of your gigs, somebody came up to me and they were like, I had no idea people still dance to this music. And I was like, what do you mean this music? It's like when this music initially came out, a lot of people were thinking it's cringe or it's Bollywood or whatever. But I felt like what y'all do at the gigs is like y'all leave all your egos aside. You're playing the music that you want to turn up to, have fun
yeah,
to, and
bro,
celebrate.
It's like supposed to be a party.
It's
And
just have
it's
fun,
magical.
bro. Come
It's
there, have
It's a
fucking
fun.
party,
magical.
and we have the
Yeah.
aux basically.
Exactly,
That's
exactly.
literally what the mixing.
Yeah.
For my birthday show, I
Yeah.
wasn't even mixing,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah, bro. At one point, I was wondering what
jukebox
is
and
this
like,
Play and pause, but fuck it, bro. That's what it
I
is.
mean, the timing and all was
Yeah.
pretty good. I wasn't just pausing it.
He wasn't confused, but it was
थोड़ा तो है,
next.
अरे बहुत गंदा डीजे है ये. But क्या music
क्या
बजाता है?
music बजाया भाई?
No, but it was like with that gig, I was. मैं बोल रहा था भाई birthday. I want to like even I want
Of
to
course,
dance and
of
party.
course,
so
of
like
course.
fuck everything else.
I think
Birthday gigs
bro,
are-
that's a level you unlock. I honestly feel like when you realize that you going up on stage is just for yourself more than
Yeah.
anybody else, I think then the audience starts enjoying.
That's exactly what happens
Yeah.
with DJing. It's like with artists who are performing,
yeah.
you can tell they need to turn up.
Yep.
But with DJs, a lot of DJs don't know that if you're having fun, the crowd is also having fun.
Right.
You can't be standing still. So you have to, and you see
Yeah.
the change in the energy of the crowd when you're like
Yeah.
turning
When you're
up.
turning up,
The minute
exactly,
you give them
exactly.
energy,
Yeah.
the energy
Exactly.
comes back
Bhai.
so much more, bro.
Receptive.
But I feel like initially when I started performing, I was feeding off the energy of the crowd.
Yeah.
But फिर मैं बहुत dependent हो गया. I was like the shows where they didn't turn up, I didn't turn up. And then that was a
Happens.
bad reflection that just brought down the entire mood of the gig and anything. And the day I realized that, bro, I am just supposed to enjoy the fact that मैं music जो गा रहा हूँ वो मेरा है
Yeah.
और ये stage पे मुझे उसलिए बुलाया गया ताकि मैं मेरा shit perform कर सकूँ and I can have the best time
Yeah.
with my people.
जो
That
लोग
day
सुनने
it
को आए,
switched.
जहाँ
जो
से
लोग
भी।
आए जैसे भी आए.
Exactly. Even if there are like 30 people in front, they've come, bro. They've taken
Even
the
like
time
say,
out.
take examples of music festivals, bro.
Yeah.
Like मेरे को लगता है that is as good as a flea market.
100%.
Like हर artist अपना दुकान लगा के बैठा है और बेच रहा है. And people are just gonna walk and कहीं देख लिया कुछ पसंद आ गया तो वहाँ खड़े हो जाएंगे.
रुक जाएगा.
So if you're not having fun and if you don't have that conviction in your
Exactly.
product or in your art and your music, then you're fucked.
Yeah.
Like then you're just like अरे ठीक है, you're so entitled so early on कि like लोग नाच क्यों नहीं रहे, इतना तो है. होता नहीं, तुझे नचवाना पड़ेगा या तुझे गवाना पड़ेगा. It takes like years, and in India it's a privilege to play a decent show. Let's just all admit the fact that यहाँ
you
नहीं है.
suck.
हाँ, like yeah. And there is not enough respect for performing artists.
at
The
all.
clubs
Yeah.
treat you terribly. The promoters treat you whatever in whatever way possible. But it's एक अच्छा शो है ना जो तुम बाहर से देखते हो ना जो आफ्टर मूवीज कटती है एंड एवरीथिंग वो बहुत मेहनत से पहली बार तो कटती है और नहीं पर वो जब सच में शोज अच्छे होते हैं ना तब it's you really got to go back and thank God, which I hope
Yeah.
that doesn't have to be the case. I hope touring gets better. I hope there's more venues in Bombay and everywhere that open up soon. But
A lot more in
yeah,
Bombay.
Yeah, a lot more in Bombay. We need that. We need
need it.
performance
We gotta be
venues.
grateful, man, for what we're getting. We could always be living in
Asshole.
Pune.
Just सीधा अच्छा चलो I get it, yeah.
Nahin. This was a lot of fun, bro.
Yeah, man, this
Yeah.
is मजा आ गया. Like this was a experimental episode.
Every time Yashraj
Bro,
comes
you
on,
know
we
what we
experiment.
did by being experimental on this episode?
What?
We push the envelope a little
Fuck
bit.
yes.
Yeah.
With that,
Shout out.
That's crazy. Listen to Meri Ja Pehle Naach by Yashraj on
Yes.
all streaming platforms. Link below in the description.
Wow,
Let's
thank
go.
you, man. Wow. Great.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for doing this.
But ठीक था ना मजे आया.
अरे भाई
तूने तो अनकट देखा है.